A very lovely hello to all my class 10th board champion, to all my board warriors. I know you must have been waiting for me for this fabulous session of top 20 tricky questions for you all. Yes, so before I start this session, this fantastic session, just let me know, my dear, everything is fixed. My voice is reaching to you, you all are there, and I'm clearly visible to you, everyone. Just let me know. Just give me confirmation as you all can hear me. My voice is reaching to you clearly. I am completely visible to you all, so that we can start this top 20 tricky questions of maths. So I have brought up today very quality questions for you all, and yes, just let me know, my dear, everything is fixed. Okay, sir. So my voice is reaching to you, everyone, clearly. Am I audible to you all? Yugani, hi, how are you, champ? Okay, perfect, very good, thank you. So trust me, my dear, this session is going to be very important for you because I have brought up quality questions. The most important, I have brought up some lengthy questions also that will genuinely help you out, because I know most of the students are still facing in problems in doing word problem type questions. So in this session, I'll be giving you each and every concept, how to attempt the word problem questions, how you should start the solution, what are the steps, what are the tips and tricks. Everything will be cleared. I know 17th February is your maths exam, your first board exam, that is of 17th February, your mathematics standard. So you don't have so much of time. The board exam is so just corner. It is very close to your today's date. Okay, so my dear, I request you all, please stay in this live session till the end, because okay, Yuga Nitin, okay, thank you. Okay, so let's join. Just wait a little while so that others can join and we can make this session. Hi sir, your voice and video. Okay, hi sir, your voice and video are not together. Let's just wait a little while, guys. Let me check it once. Let me call my technical person. Stay there, my dear. Just wait a little while, 5 to 10 minutes, so that others can also join, and let me fix the problem that you are saying that hi sir, voice and video is not coming together. So let me check it once. Okay. Hello everyone, my dear champions, all warriors, your 17th February, your maths exam. So tell me honestly, how you all are feeling? How you all are feeling, my dear? Your exam is so close now. Are you genuinely, just ask yourself honestly, are you prepared fully or not for your maths exam? Yes, tell me. Who feels that I'm fully prepared for maths exam? Just write your name in comment section. Then I'm going to ask few questions from you, if you're fully prepared for your board exam. Okay. Just a second, my dear. Okay. Hi everyone, hi Bindu. No sir, sad is honest. I know. Yeah. No sir. So don't worry, sad. I'll be making your preparation stronger and firm, so that you guys can score good marks in your maths exam. Okay. So don't worry, my dear. Just a second. Let me check, my technical person is there. Someone is saying, sir, your voice and video is not synchronizing well. Come on, so my voice and video both are synchronizing well or not? Just let me know, my dear, everything is fixed. Write in comment section, yes sir, everything is fixed. Your voice and video is synchronizing well. We can hear Okay, just wait a little while. We're fixing the problem. I don't know why this problem is happening today. Okay. Now my voice is going to you guys. Everything is fixed now. Just let me know. So my team has fixed the problem. Now my voice is audible to you all. My dear champions, to all class 10th warriors, come on, get up. Stay energetic. We'll be having so interesting and powerful session today. Top 20 tricky question I am going to do for you all. Hello sir, I'm Kavya. Hi Kavya, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu's platform. Yes, now am I audible to you all? Yes sir. Superb, superb, superb. Okay, so moving to, without wasting a moment, let's begin this session. Thank you so much. So the question is, in the given figure, a circle is inscribed in an equilateral triangle of ABC of side 12 centimeter. Find the radius of inscribed circle and the area of the shaded region. So this question is very interesting question. Listen. So there is an equilateral triangle, and the side of equilateral triangle is given to you. This is of 12 centimeter, right? So each and every side will be 12 centimeter. This is also 12 centimeter. This is also 12 centimeter, because we know the property of an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal to each other. Now there is a circle which is inscribed, means the circle is inside the equilateral triangle, and we have to find out the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle, okay, and the area of shaded part, the shaded part. We have to find out the area of shaded part. We cannot find out the area of shaded part unless and until we don't have radius of the circle. First we have to find out the radius of the circle, then only we can find out the area of shaded part. Because to find out the area of shaded part, we have to subtract the area of circle from the area of equilateral triangle, then only we can get the area of shaded part. So to find out the area of shaded part, first we have to find out the radius. Let me give you a very short trick. I can solve this question by two methods. So I'm giving you very important formula. Listen here, my dear. So whenever a circle is inscribed in an equilateral triangle, listen my dear, whenever a circle is inscribed in an equilateral triangle of side A, let's say the side of an equilateral triangle is A. Now there is a very short trick formula to find out the radius. So radius we can find out A by 2 root 3. By using this formula, you guys can find out the radius of circle if the circle is inscribed in an equilateral triangle. Come on, if the circle is inscribed in an equilateral triangle, please memorize this formula, keep this formula in your mind. Now the second situation might be there when there is an equilateral triangle, right? There is an equilateral triangle and the circle is circumscribed the equilateral triangle. This situation can also be there in question. So if the circle is circumscribed the equilateral triangle and the side of equilateral triangle is given to you, so in this situation how you can find out the radius? So radius we can find out by using this formula, A by root 3. Come on, keep this formula in your mind. So there are two possibilities. The first possibility is that the circle can be inside the equilateral triangle, and the second possibility, the circle can be outside, means circumscribed to the equilateral triangle. So you should have both the formulas to find out the radius if the side of an equilateral triangle is given to you. Come on guys, so keep this formula and this formula in your mind. Now look at the question. Here in this question, the circle is inside the equilateral triangle. So which situation will be carried out? This situation. So we can directly find out the radius. But it depends on the weightage. It depends on the concept. It depends on condition. Right? It means how much marks this particular question carried. If this question comes in 4 and 5 marks category, then you have to follow some other method. I'll let you know later, just wait a little while. So if this question comes up in 2 marks category, so you guys can use this formula directly. So using this formula, we can find out the radius. So radius would be A by 2 root 3, my dear. And A is what? A is what? The side of an equilateral triangle. And you know, the side of equilateral triangle is 12 centimeter. Superb. So we can put here 12 divided by 2 root 3. Now can we solve this? So this will be 6 here. So we can rationalize this. So 6 by root 3. By rationalizing this, root 3 would be there. So root 3 into 3 would be there. So we can write here 2 root 3 centimeter. I hope you are getting my point. This would be the radius. How? Root 3 into root 3 is 3, and 3 will cancel that, 6 by 2. So I am skipping one point there. So 2 root 3 is your radius. So the first part is already solved. The radius of the circle is solved. Now look, the second part is the area of shaded region. Come on, the area of shaded region. So the area of shaded region, this is very easy. We can directly find out. Area of shaded region is what? Area of shaded region is nothing but area of an equilateral triangle or area of triangle minus area of the circle, and we can find out the area of circle because we have radius here, right? So minus area of what? Circle, right? Area of circle, my dear. And we know the triangle is equilateral, and if the triangle is equilateral, the area can be written as √3/4 a square minus area of circle is what? Pi r square. Pi r square. Now we have all the values. By putting the values, we can get the result here. Is it clear? Is it clear, my dear? Is it clear? Yeah. Yes, now putting the values. Superb. So see, the most important part is this. Look, if the circle is inside of an equilateral triangle, use this formula to find out the radius. If the circle is outside the equilateral triangle, come on. If the circle is outside the equilateral triangle, use this formula to find out the radius. These are very important formula. Now, I'm going to use one more method to solve this question, because this question might come in 5 marks category as well. So if the question comes in 5 marks category, so there should be some other method also. So I'm going to give you one more method. Yeah, you can continue. Sir, clear. Superb, superb. Yes. Sad is saying the formula works only. Yeah, this formula is particularly for equilateral triangle and circle relation, my dear, when the circle is inside or outside. Okay. Now find out the result. Just wait 2 minutes, my dear. Okay. Okay. Is it clear? Are you guys there? Is it clear, everyone? If possible, do it faster. I think instead of talking with each other, you should focus on questions. So we'll start this session just in 1 minute, my dear. We are just transferring a file, very important file. Just we need to transfer in other system. So just wait a little, stay there, my dear. This session is going to be very powerful. So Mika is saying, why is the radius of any circle in an equilateral triangle always? See, there is a proof, my dear. So you can prove this formula. This is not direct formula. We can prove it out using the mathematics and using the geometrical concept. Let me give you the long method. Don't worry, I'm here. Everything will be cleared. Okay, so listen. Okay, can you please minimize that interface, please? Yeah. So listen, some student is saying, sir, can we use this? Why is the radius of ends? Listen, my dear, let me give you, other method. Listen. So do one thing. First, this is my request to you. Please keep these two formulas in your mind. when the circle is inside an equilateral triangle, the radius we can calculate by using this formula, and when the circle is circumscribed to an equilateral triangle of side A, we can find out the radius by using this formula. Please write these two formulas in your copy first. Okay, now okay, superb. Now, so this, by using this formula, by putting the values, we can get the result of area of shaded region. But some student is thinking, and some student is questioning me in comment section, sir, can we, why this formula comes in this form, radius of circle and side of the equilateral triangle? So let me give you one more method for you all. So we can do this question by one more method. How? Listen, my dear. What happening here? Just wait, my dear. Just wait, my dear. Okay. Okay, so okay, so we can solve this by one more method. So two formulas I have already provided to you. Let's do this question by another method. So my dear, what we need to do here, listen. Okay, so we all know if this circle is touching the side of equilateral triangle, so these are the point of contacts. And we all know at point of contacts, radius always make 90-degree angle. So this is of 90 degree. This is, if we draw the radius here, this is also is 90 degree. And if we draw the radius here, this is also 90 degree. And we can say this is as M and say this as N. And join these points from the center, and this is already joined. Now you can see here, my dear, this BOC triangle, this AOC triangle, and this AOB triangle, if we combine these three triangles, this triangle, right, this triangle, right, and this triangle, if we combine these three triangles and if we add the area of these three triangles, we can get the area of complete equilateral triangle. And you might be thinking, sir, why we are doing this? By doing this, we can introduce the radius. And the target is to find out the radius first. So, area of triangle ABC can be written as area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC plus area of triangle AOB. Right, my dear champion? Can we write this? Yes, we are free to write. Combining these two triangles will give you the complete area. And we know that area of this triangle BOC would be half base into, base is BC, base into height, and height is radius. Wow, base into R. Similarly, plus area of AOC is base AC into radius, height, plus area of triangle AOB is half base is AB into height is radius. And this is what area of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is itself an equilateral triangle. And if the triangle ABC is equilateral, we can directly write the root 3 by 4 A square. This is the area of an equilateral triangle. Now, my dear, now listen, half root 3 by 4 A square, root 3 by 4 A square. What we can take common here? R is common in every family. R is here and 1 by 2. So can we take R by 2 common? So it would be BC plus AC plus AB. I hope you are getting my point. BC plus AC plus AB, and BC is what? BC is the side of an equilateral triangle, and which is equal to 12 centimeter, right? And AC is what? This is also side of an equilateral triangle. This is 12 centimeter, and this is also the side of an equilateral triangle, which is 12 centimeter. So we can put the values. So root 3 by 4 A square means 12 square equals to R. We want to calculate R, and BC plus AC plus this would be 12 plus 12. Now, can we solve this? So it would become 2 to the 4. So root 3 by 2, and we know 12 square is 144 equals to R into 12. This is 36, right? So 2 will cancel this also. 2 7 ja and this 2. So we are getting here 72 root 3 equals to R36. So by shifting this 36 this side, we can get the result here. R is equal to this 36 will cancel this 2 root 3. So R we are getting here 2 root 3. 2 root 3 centimeter. This was the same result. The result that we got earlier by using the short formula. This was the result, my dear. So this is the long method. If this question comes in 4 marks and 5 marks category, then you must use this way. Okay. Now put the values. If you want to find out the value in decimals, you can find out 2 into 1.73. So by multiplying this, I think radius would be 3 to just 6. 7 to 14, 14 carry 1, 2 1 to 3.46 centimeter. This is the radius, my dear. Now the first part we have solved. Find the radius of the circle, we have solved. The first part we have solved. Now moving to second part, we have to find out the area of shaded part. The area of shaded part. Where is the shaded part? This is the shaded part, my dear. This is the shaded part. And how we can find out the area of this shaded part? If we subtract the area of circle from whole equilateral triangle. Yes, by subtracting the area of circle from whole equilateral triangle, we can get the result. Okay, so now find out the second part. So area of shaded region can be written as area of triangle. Area of triangle is what? Root 3 by 4 a square. A means 12 square minus area of circle, and which is equal to pi r square. Pi and r is what? R is what? 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 whole square. I hope you are getting my point. Now look at the result. Root 3 by 4 and 12 square is 144 minus, if we square 2 root 3, so squaring 2 root 3 will give you 12. So this is 12 pi. You know 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3, so 4 into 3 is 12. Now solve this. So 4 will cancel this. 4 3 are 12 and 4 6 are. So we are getting here 36 root 3 minus 12 into 3.14. Now solve this. By solving this, you can get the result which is equal to 24.6 centimeter square. This is the answer, my dear. This is the answer. Yes, I hope this is clear to you. Yes, someone is saying I haven't seen this formula before, so that's why I request you all to come in my live session. Very good, superb. Is it clear? Yes, 36 root 3 is the area. Superb. See, my dear, come on, wake up and isolate yourself just for 10-12 days, because you just have only 10 to 12 days for your preparation, final preparation for your maths exam, my dear. So now time to be very serious, right? Okay. Yes, 24. Exactly. Sad is correct here. Yeah, Mika, I don't know your name, Mika. Yeah, of course. Yes, sir, all clear. Thank you so much. If anyone is having any kind of doubt, just let me know so that I can repeat it for you all. Don't worry. Don't feel ashamed to ask me again and again. I'm here for you all. Right? I'm really concerned about your board exam because you don't have so much of time, and consider these live sessions as your final preparation, my dear. Consider these live sessions as your final preparation because you have to cover up your entire syllabus. I'm Kavya. Okay, Kavya. Yes. Okay, should I move ahead to the next question? Moving to next question, question number 2. Now look at the question. Okay. I'm Ruslan. Okay, superb, Ruslan. Stay blessed all the way, Ruslan, for your exam. Now look at the question. So I have already told you in the starting, my dear, I have brought up lengthy questions, tricky questions. You might have not seen, frequently anywhere in book and all. So that is my intention is to give you the clarity on every type of question that might appear in your board exam, which is on 17th February. So this is my target, to give you the clarity, how you guys can encounter the different type of questions. So these are the question, competency based question. Come on, look at the question. Okay. Devdas, so funny. 10, 12, 10. Okay. Hemant, hi Hemant. Okay, so look at the question. There are 2 points on a highway AB. Okay, there is highway is AB. There is 2 points AB on highway. They are 70 kilometers apart. Okay, an auto starts from A and another auto starts from B simultaneously. Wow, look at the level of question. If they travel in the same direction, they meet in 7 hours, right? But if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. Find how fast the 2 autos are. Wow. Who can do this question? Just give me, write your name in comment section or give me thumbs up, sir. I can do this question. This is just nothing for me. Just give me thumbs up, my dear. Who can do this question? Very important and very quality question. Just trust me, my dear. Okay, look, the question is, there are 2 points on a highway. Okay, they are 70 kilometers apart. Very good. So what happening here is, there is a highway and 2 autos are there, right? 2 car, 2 bus, whatever is there, 2 autos are there, and there are 2 situations. The first situation is when they are moving in same direction. So when they are moving in same direction, they are meeting with each other in 7 hours. They are meeting, like someone is going this way and other is following. The first body is going in this direction and the second body is following that body from backward. So they will be meeting after 7 hours. But when they are moving, opposite from each other, they are meeting in just 1 hour. So there are 2 situations. So let me give you the condition. So let's assume, let 2 bodies are there. One is moving with x kilometer per hour and other is moving with y kilometer per hour. But to solve this question, you have to consider, you have to let one having higher speed and other is having lower speed. So let the higher speed be x kilometer per hour, right? And lower speed be y kilometer per hour. Come on, keep it in mind. You have to let the speed first. Otherwise, you cannot proceed the solution. Without letting this, you cannot even think about the solution. You have to let the speed first. So let the higher speed, it might be of first body and it might be of second body. Doesn't matter. Let the higher speed be x kilometer per hour and the lower speed be y kilometer per hour. Now, those 2 situations are there. So the first situation is when the bodies are moving in same directions. Same direction means the body, this body and this body, both autos are moving in same direction. So we have assumed here the speed of first body is x kilometer per hour, which is higher. So this is x kilometer per hour and this is y kilometer per hour. And let me give you very quality concept. When 2 bodies goes in same direction, my dear, so there is a relative speed, my dear, a relative speed. So if I talk about the relative speed, so relative speed become x minus y kilometer per hour. Higher minus lower. This is the concept. When the bodies goes in the same direction, this is the concept of physics. You will be studying these concepts in laws of motion in PUC first year or in your 11th standard. So when 2 bodies goes in same direction, the relative velocity comes up x minus y kilometer per hour. And look, this is the higher and this is the lower. That's why I'm writing x minus y. Now, when they go in same direction, they are meeting in 7 hours. They are meeting in 7 hours. So you all know speed equals to what? Distance by time. Speed equals to distance by time. So we can use this formula. Speed is what? X minus y. And distance is what? 70 kilometer. And in what time they are meeting with each other? 7. So we can cancel this. So we are getting here 10. So x minus y equals to 10. This is your first equation. I hope you are getting my point. Now the second situation is when they are moving opposite to each other, means one is going in this direction and other is coming in this direction. So let's say this is x kilometer per hour and this is y kilometer per hour. Now The important thing is physics concept. When two bodies moves in opposite to each other, so relative speed comes as x plus y. Yes. Now they will be adding with each other because both the bodies are opposite to each other. So x plus y kilometer per hour. Right? And we all know this formula, speed equals to distance upon time. So speed is what? So speed is what? X plus y, and distance, what distance is there? 70 kilometer. And when they are moving opposite to each other, they are meeting in 1 hour, my dear. So time is 1 hour. So we can get here x plus y, we are getting here x plus y is 70. I hope you are getting my point. So this is your second equation. This is your first equation and this is your second equation, and this was the target. This was the target, to find out two linear equations in two variable. Yes, now you all can add both the equations. So adding first and second, if you will be adding y cancel, and x plus x is 2x. 2x equals to 70 plus 10 would be 80. So x is 40 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. And by putting this value in either in equation or in equation, you can get the value of y. So y would be, I think y would be, if x is 40, if we put 40 here, so 40 here, x is 40, so 40 will go that side. So y will become, I think, 30 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. So these are the respective speed of both the bodies. X is moving with 40 km per hour and Y is moving with 30 km per hour. I hope you have understood it. Very important and logical question. Okay. Is it clear, my dear? Hi Amit. Hi Amit. How are you, champion? Sir, please ask the questions again. The speed of two autos are 40. Yes, Kavya, you are correct. Superb. Y is 30 km per hour. Yes. Wow, how sweet of you guys. You are doing great job. Many students have solved this question. Superb. Clear. Is it clear to you, everyone? So, see, listen, my dear. What I want to tell you, listen. The most important thing in this question is here. When two bodies goes in same direction, so the relative speed comes this. And look, I'm subtracting y from x, so it indicates that x is greater and y is smaller. If two bodies are moving, then you have to let first, which is someone is might be moving, with higher speed, and the second body will be moving with lower speed. So you have to let that first. Then only you can proceed the equation. Otherwise, you cannot write the equation. So when two bodies goes in same direction, the relative speed comes this, x minus y. But when the bodies goes in opposite direction, means I am moving in this direction and my friend is coming towards me in this direction. So the relative speed comes up x plus y. This is the important thing. Please keep it in mind. The speed added up when the bodies are opposite to each other, and the speed, subtracts from each other when the bodies are in same direction. This is the most important point. Okay. Hi Abhinav. Squeezy easy. Superb. Who is samosa here? Someone is distributing samosa here? If someone is distributing samosa, just give it to me. I am feeling a bit hungry, my dear. Just give it to me. One. Yeah. Okay. Should I move ahead? I hope this is clear. If this question is clear to everyone, please give me thumbs up in comment section, my dear. Your involvement, your interaction encourages me, give me some motivation to do something unique for you all. You all are awesome. Just give me thumbs up. Sir, everything is clear. Thank you so much. So that I can move ahead to the next question. Question number 33. See, in this live session, still 18 questions are left. And all the questions are, quality and, powerful questions, lengthy and tricky questions for you all. That is going to help you all on 17th February. You all are going to remember me in your examination hall. Trust me. Abhinav is giving me thumbs up. Thank you, Abhinav. Sad is smiling. Oh, don't write rip samosa, bro. I want samosa. Okay. Give me thumbs up. No one is giving me thumbs up with samosa. So that thumbs up can digest my samosa easily. Okay. Superb. Now, moving to next question, question number 3. Okay, question number 3, my dear. Question number 3 for you. Okay, now look at the question. In a lottery, there are 13 prizes. Okay, there are 13 prizes and 117 blanks. So let's say assume there is a box. In a box, 13 prizes are there and 117 blanks, nothing is there. 117 blank portion is there. What is the probability of not winning a prize? So the probability of not winning a prize, this is your favorable outcome. And how many favorable outcomes is there? When you will be picking this one from this 117 blanks, it means no prize is winning by you all, right? So 13 prize is there, but prize and blanks both are kept all together in a box. So total number of outcomes is what? So first we have to find out the total number of outcomes here. Total number of outcomes, my dear, and the total number of outcomes is what? The addition of both the numbers. So if we add 13 plus 117, I think 130 is there. So this is the total number of outcomes. But the question is, what is the probability of not winning a prize? So probability of event, and E is what? E is not winning the prize. So not winning prize is what? 117, which is blank, and divided by total number of outcome. Answer: number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Yes, Abhinav is 1 by 10. Abhinav, why you are writing 1 by 10? Okay, you have cancelled. We can cancel here. Yes, it will cancel by 9. 13 9 is basically 117, and we can cancel by this 10. So basically the answer is 9 by 10. 13 9 is 117, right? And 13 10 is 130. We can write 9 by 10. Abhinav, you are writing 1 by 10. I don't know why. Please rectify that answer. Achha, 1 by 10 you are writing for winning the prize. For winning the prize, yeah, that would be 1 by 10. Correct. Superb. Yes. Yeah, Abhinav, you are correct. Okay, now, okay, someone is getting the answer in decimal. You don't require to find out in decimal. You can keep this answer as it is. 9 by 10 is correct. Is it clear? So, moving to next question, question number 4. Look at the question. Question number 4. A school has a book bank for the help of students from economically weaker sections. Students of class 10th donated the following number of books to the book bank. English book is donated English book is 96, Hindi book is 240, maths is 336. These books have to be stacked in such a way that the number of copies in each stack is same. Okay, means we have to find out the number which can divide all these three. Because see, there are 3 categories of books. English book is there, which is 96 in number. Hindi book is there, which is 240 in number. And maths book is there, 336 is number. And we have to place these books in stacks. But the placing of books should be like this, so that each stack gets equal number of books. Means we are looking for the numbers which can divide these 3 numbers. Means HCF. We have to find here HCF, because we want such a way that the number of copies in each stack is same. So what is the maximum number of books in each stack? So basically we have to find out here HCF, my dear. HCF. Yes, HCF, of course, very good. HCF. Now, we can find out HCF by prime factorization method, my dear. So, how we can use prime factorization method? Yes, very good. Yug is correct here. By using prime factorization method, we can get the result. Superb. Yes, so can we get the result? So, look, 96 is there. So, the prime factorization of 96 can be written as 2 into 48, 2 into 24, 2 into 12, 2 into 6, 2 into 3 and 3 into 1. So the prime factor of 96 can be written as 96 equals to 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power 5 into 3. Wait a little while. First find out the prime factor of these numbers. Now if we talk about 240, so 240 can be factorized as 120, 2 to 60, 2 to 30, 2 to 15, 3 to 5 and 5 to 1. It means 240 can be written as 2 to power 1, 2, 3, 4 into 3 to power 1 into 5. Similarly, if we get the result of 336, so 336 can be factorized as 2 and this is 16 to the 32 and 8. So 2 into 8, 4, again 2 into 42, again 2 into 21, again 3 into 7 and 7 is 1. Now 336 can be written as what? 336 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the power 4 and 3 to power 1 and 7 to power 1. Now we are looking for HCF, my dear, HCF. And you all know when we are finding the HCF, whenever we are finding the HCF, HCF means highest common factor. Come on, highest common factor. Which term is coming here? Highest. So whenever we are finding the HCF, always take less power. Come on, always take less power. So start from 2. So if we talk about 2, 2 power 5 is here, 2 to power 4 is here and 2 to power 4 is here. Which is the least power? 2 to power 4. So we will be considering here 2 to power 4. Means opposite. Means if you are finding HCF highest, then you have to take lowest power. Now come to 3. If we talk about 3, 3 to power 1 is here, 3 to power 1 is here. This is 3 to power 1, my dear. 3 to power 1, 3 to power 1 and here is also 3 to power 1. So only 3 to power 1 will be there. Now if we talk about 5, come on, 5 is here, but 5 is not here. So we can assume 5 to power 0. And 5 is not here, we can assume 5 to power 0. Now if I ask you in 5 to power 0, 5 to power 1 and 5 to power 0, which is the least? So 5 to power 0 is least. And we know the power 0 of any integer is equal to 1. So we don't require to write the number. Similarly 7 is here, but 7 is not here. It means 7 to power 0 is here and 7 to power 0 is also here. So we can ignore that value because 7 to power 0 is 1. So the HCF is 2 to power 4 will be 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 and 16 3 to 48. This is the answer, my dear. So what is the maximum number of books in each stack? So this is the answer, my dear. 48. 48 books would be there in each stack. This question is in this way. I saw this question somewhere like the question was saying ki find out the number of stacks, basically how many stacks would be required there. So to find out the number of stacks, this is the number of books, my dear. 48 books will be there in each stack, but the question is like find the number of stacks, how many stacks would be there. So to find the number of stake, my dear, you need to divide this value, these value 96 from 48, 240 from 48 and 336 from 48, and we can add the result whatever you are getting. So to find out the number of stake. Second question is, which mathematical concept is used in the above problem? Basically real number concept is there and the concept of HCF. HCF, we can write HCF and real number. This is the concept of HCF and real number. Third part, by donating books through school book bank, which value is depicted by the study of class 10th? I think helping nature, and we can write charity, helping hand, right? We can put these two qualities which we are depicting by donating the books in the school bank, right? Charity, we are doing charity, my dear. So this is the way how we can solve such questions. I hope you are getting my point. Is it clear? Is it clear? Helping nature, social responsibility, sharing knowledge, cooperation. Very good, Kavya, superb. Yes, we can write these points. Social responsibilities, superb, very good. I want to see the response from other students. So many students are watching the live session. Okay. Charity. Yeah. Sir, next question. Wait, have patience, my dear. So many students are there and all the students are having different mentality, different approach. Some student might getting these concepts very quickly, some student might getting the concept slowly. So all are important for me. Everything is clear, my dear? Najali is saying no clear. I don't know what kind of confusion you still have. Naj, if you are having any confusion, any problem, write in comment section, Naj. See, if any student is having any kind of problem, confusion, don't say no sir, no clear. Write your problem in comment section. I will look into out every comment, my dear, because you all are important for me. Okay, super. Everyone is saying yes, clear sir. Moving to question number 5. Look at the question. The sum of the radius of base and height of a solid right circular cylinder is 37 centimeter. Okay, ji, no problem. The sum of the radius of base and height of a solid. Okay, so there is a cylinder. Right, there is a cylinder. Let's assume there is a cylinder of radius r and having height h. Now read the first statement. The first statement is the sum of the radius and height. Okay, so r plus h is equal to 37. This is the first information given to you in this question. Now read out the second statement. If the total surface area of solid cylinder is 1628 centimeter square, find the volume of the cylinder. And we all know, to find the volume of cylinder, this is the formula, pi r square h. Right? We don't have radius and height separately. We have only the relationship between those. So to find out the volume of cylinder, first we have to calculate the value of radius and height, then only we can find out the volume. So listen, if the total surface area of the cylinder, which is 2 pi r plus h, this is the formula for total surface area, is equal to 1628 centimeter. This is the second information which is given to you in the question. Now look, what is this r plus h? Can we replace this r plus h here? Yes, my dear. So 2 pi r into 37 is equal to 1628. We can say the region here from first. Right? So 2 into pi, we know pi is 22 by 7 into radius into 37 is equal to 1628. So radius can be written as 1628. 7 is in division form. If 7 will go that side, it will be multiplied, and the values which are in multiplication form will go in division form. So 22 into 44 would be there into 37, my dear. Is it clear? When you will be calculating, cancelling these numbers, so 37 by 37, this will cancel. We can verify. 44 into 37, my dear. 28 is there, 42 is 8, 30 is there, 4 3 is 12, 1 is there, 4 3 is 12, 13 is there, 8, 2, 6, 1. Look at the result. 162. So we can cancel now. 37 will cancel by this. So r is equal to 7 centimeter. And once you got the r, you can find out height by using this formula. So height would become what? R plus h is 37. So h will become 30 centimeter. Now you have h and you have r. Now you are free to find anything. So the volume of cylinder would be pi r square h, right? Volume of cylinder with pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is what? 7. 7 square is 49. And height is what? 30. So can we cancel this? 7 7 jar this. And here is 22 into 30 into 7 is 210. We can multiply this 22 into 21. So 22 is there. And 22 44 is there. 2 4 to 6 and 4 and now one more 0. So 4620 centimeter cube, because this is volume. I hope you have got the result. Yes. Is it clear? Is it clear, my dear? 4620. Yes. Who is answered? Abhinav is answered 4620. Perfect. Abhinav is saying this question came in my maths pre-board. Wow. So you did it question, you solved this question comfortably in your pre-board, my dear? Abhinav, just let me know. Or you skipped this question? You did this question or not? Just let me know. Okay. 4620, clear. Is it clear, my dear? So just I'm giving you very easy explanation in maths, my dear. Nothing is rocket science here. Nothing is challenging. First, what you need to do? Read the question carefully and convert the statement in information in this form. Read the question line wise, step wise, and convert the given theoretical information in equation form. This is all about. So don't feel the question is challenging, difficult, tough, I cannot do, this is beyond syllabus, this is very difficult. See, the game is of mentality. This is the game of mentality, my dear. Maintain your calmness, read the question carefully, silently first. Okay. I did correctly, sir. Superb. Clapping for you. Okay. Now moving to next question. I hope this is clear to you all. Now moving to next question, question number 6. Very easy question. Devdas. But actually we need rocket science, sir. To give you theory of rocket science, I will have to teach you all science. Okay. Proving sums are a bit difficult, sir, especially triangles. Don't worry. I'm planning to give you a separate lecture, separate video on triangles. You know, don't worry, my dear. I'm thinking on that. Okay. So the student who are in this live session from beginning, from very first question number 1, please watch this live session till the end, my dear. I have already told you I have brought up quality questions for you all. And don't negotiate with these questions. This question is going to help you all. Okay, someone is, sir, am I handsome boy? Bro, your result should be handsome. No one is going to ask your smartness and handsome. Okay, everyone is going to ask for your result on the day of result, my dear. Come on, get up. Your exam is on 17th February. Okay, so, okay. Moving to next question, question number 6. If the roots of the equation c square minus ab under bracket x square. So look, my dear, basically there is a quadratic equation given to you. If we talk about, listen, my dear, this is quadratic equation. This whole is, this is ax square, and this whole is except x. This is b, and this whole family is basically c. Look, the quadratic equation is given to ax square plus bx plus c. Now write down it separately. A is c square minus ab, c square, okay, c square minus abx square, right? And b is here minus 2 a square minus bc, right? And c is b square minus ac. So I have written here separately a, b and c, okay, are equal if the roots are equal, my dear. Now you all know if roots are equal, always take discriminant equals to 0. Always take discriminant equals to 0. And we have to prove here, prove that either a equals to 0 or aq plus bq plus c cube equals to 3abc. Don't worry. This question is very easy. Yeah, there is a lengthy calculation. Calculation is important. You have to focus on calculation because one plus minus mistake can ruin your whole solution right over there. Is it clear? So this question is easy, but calculation is there basically, if I tell you honestly. Okay. Okay, super. So d is equals to 0, and we all know if roots are equal, d is equals to 0. And you know d, what, let me start from here because I need this space also. So take d equals to 0. So we all know d is equals to b square minus 4ac equals to 0. And what is b here? B is this here. So minus 2a square minus bc whole square. B square minus 4a. A is what? This is a. My dear, ignore this x square. This is a. C square minus ab. Minus 4ac, and c is what? C is whole family. This is whole family. B square minus ac. Now normal mathematical calculation is there, equals to 0, because d will be 0. Why? The roots are real and equal. Roots are equal. Okay, now solve this. Minus 2 square would be 4 is there, right? And a square minus bc whole square. So we can apply a minus b whole square, and you all know a minus b whole square is a square, so a square is already there, so power would become a to power 4. A square plus b square means b square c square minus 2ab, a is a square and bc, so I have applied this square. Now look my dear, minus 4, this is minus 4, and this bracket, look at this bracket and this bracket, both are in multiplication form. Now we can multiply from this element to this whole bracket, so c square b square, c square b square minus c square into ac would become ac cube, because we are multiplying c square from this value. Okay, now time to multiply this value, minus ab to whole family, so minus ab cube, right, and minus will be plus, and a square plus a square b into c will be bc, which is equal to 0. I hope you are getting my point. So I have used algebraic identities here, right? Now open the brackets. So can we take 4 common here? Because 4 is here, 4 is here, we can take 4 common, and 4 will go that side, so 0 by 4 will be 0, so we can ignore the 4 here. So only a to power 4, we can take 4 common here, so a to power 4 plus b square c square minus 2a square bc, and after taking the 4 here this side, and here sign is minus, so if we open this bracket, so minus, this family will go in minus form, c square b square, and minus it will become positive, minus again positive ab cube, and minus plus minus a square minus a square, my dear bc, minus a plus minus a square bc equals to 0. So this 4 will go that side, and the 4 will become 0. Now check whether where are the values, my dear. This is, look, this is minus 2a square bc, and this is minus a square bc here and here. Now look, this is AC here, this is b square c square negative form, and this is b square c square positive form. That will cancel here. So what we are getting here, a to power 4 and minus 2a square bc and minus a square bc would become minus 3a square bc, and here plus ac cube, and here plus ab cube is there, equals to 0. I hope you are getting my point. Can we take a common from this? We can take a common from this. So if we take a common from this, so only a cube will be there, a cube, and we have taken a common from here, so minus 3 a b c, and on taking a from here only c cube will be there, and on taking a common here b cube will be there, equals to 0, my dear. And now look at the question. We have to prove a equals to 0, and a is outside from this bracket, so a is equal to 0. The first solution is a equals to 0, and if we take this whole family as 0, so we are getting here a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equals to 0. I am writing this whole family in sequence. Now minus 3abc can go that side, so a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc, hence proved. This is the solution. This question carries 3 to 4 marks, my dear, if this question comes up in your exam. I hope this is clear to you. Yes, is it clear? If the product is 0, then at least one factor is 0. Yeah, see this question, Hemant, this question is a bit complicated, but you know the pattern is changed. CBSE may ask this year. These questions comes in competency category, my dear. Is it clear? Is it clear, my dear? Is it clear, my dear? Just give me thumbs up. Should I repeat this question again for you, or should I move forward to the next question? Just let me know. Okay. See, this question is not complicated, my dears. Listen, see what you need to do. You have to put d equals to 0. and D is discriminant, B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. You have B, you have B, you have A, and you have C. The rest work is mathematical calculation. Come on, you cannot run away from this calculation. You cannot go away. You have to use your mathematical approach, my dear. You cannot ignore this. You cannot negotiate with these solutions. See, these are the basic. I think for 10th grade student, I think this is not complicated and not challenging, not at all. See. Okay. Okay, is it clear? Move next. Superb. Okay, moving to next question. Question number, listen, the question number 7 for you. Okay. Hi Divyansh, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu. Okay, now try this question. I can solve this question by two methods. Yes, one is long method and other is short method. And the question is here, find the length TP. So which method will be applied depends on the marks carried by this question. If this question drops in category of 2 marks or 3 marks, we can solve by short method. If this question comes in, 5 mark question category, we have to follow the long method. Okay, sir prove. Oh my god, see my dear, if I write this function x equals to x plus 7 equals to 0, my dear. So the first solution would be x equals to 0 here, now, because x is outside this bracket. And if we write this function equals to 0, x plus 7 equals to 0, so the another solution will be this. So what we need to do here, this a is outside the bracket, this a is outside the bracket, and this a into whole bracket is equals to 0. So the first solution is a equals to 0. The a will directly become equal to 0. And when you put this whole family equals to 0, the another part will be solved, this part. And this part is already solved. There is nothing challenging, Devyansh. Is it clear to you? Hi Naveen. If you are new to Vedantu, welcome, champ. You are at right place. Okay. Now do this question, my dear. Very interesting question. Okay. Listen. First, let me give you short method. Very short method for you. Okay, let me change my position of mic. So, as I have just told you, I can solve this question by two methods, my dear. Study. Why you are writing sorry? Study. I don't know your name. Okay. So we can solve this question by two methods. So let me give you very short method for you. So the question is, PQ is a chord. Very good. PQ is a chord here. Okay. Of length 8 centimeter of a circle of radius. We know, my dear, if PQ is a chord, this PQ is a chord and O is center. So when we draw a line on chord, you all know, when we draw a line on chord, this is always comes 90 degree. The line drawn from center to a chord is always perpendicular bisected to the chord. This will be the perpendicular and this will bisect the chord in equal parts. Come on. If this hole is 8 centimeter, so this will become 4 centimeter and this will also become 4 centimeter. I hope you are getting my point. Because the PQ, complete PQ is what? The complete PQ is 8 centimeter, my dear. I hope you're getting my point. Okay. Of a circle of radius 5 centimeter, the tangent at P and Q, the tangent, this TP and TQ are the tangents, intersects at T, very good, as we can see in figure. Find the length of TP. We have to find out this length, my dear. This length TP. So what you need to do? Apply trigonometry. If we mark theta here, my dear, theta here, come on, look at the theta. I am taking this as theta here, my dear. So we have two triangles. The first triangle is PRO. Come on, take first triangle, PRO. And if I write in triangle PRO, can you see the triangle? PRO. And if we write here, tan theta, we can write here, this 4 is given to you and this is given to you. So can we write here, tan theta would be perpendicular by base. So can we write tan theta? So the tan theta, and one more thing, if this is 5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, so this would be 3 centimeter by applying Pythagoras theorem. So OR square, we can get OR square, which would be OP square minus PR square. PR square. OP is what? 5. So 5 square minus PR. This is 4. So 4 square. So 5 square is 25. 4 square is 16. So 25 minus 16 is 9. So OR is under root 9, and under root 9 is 3 centimeter. Keep it with you, 3 centimeter. Now write down the tan theta. So tan theta, I'm writing tan theta in this triangle, PRO. So tan theta is perpendicular by base, which is equal to PR divided by OR. And PR is what? 4. OR is what? 3. Keep it as it is. Now, come in this triangle, my dear. If this is tangent and this is radius, so this angle would be 90 degree. The radius drawn at the point of contact is also 90 degree. So you have one more triangle. You have one more right angle triangle. Can you see the right angle triangle, my dear? The triangle TPO. So in triangle TPO, come on, write down the triangle TPO. Look at the triangle. This theta angle will also present in that triangle too. So if we write tan theta there, tan theta, so for this theta, this is perpendicular. TP is perpendicular, which is required in the question. And this is the base OP. And TP, we want to calculate TP, OP is given to you 5 centimeter. Call this as second. Now here is tan theta, here is tan theta. So can we equate both? TP by 5 is equal to 4 by 3. So 5 will go that side. So TP will become 5 4 ja 20, 20 by 3 centimeter. Answer. This is the answer. So there is magical thing, my dear. What you need to do? Please take the triangles, these two triangles, my dear. Take these two triangles. First this triangle and write down the tan theta. Right? Theta is here. This is theta. And take one more triangle again, there's the bigger one, and write down the tan theta. And equate both the tan theta, you can get your result. You can get your result. Okay. Is it clear, my dear? Superb. Is it clear? Should I repeat this question for you again, or should I move ahead to the next question, my dear? Yes, Naveen, Nisha. Yeah, 20 by 3 is correct. Superb. Very good. Is it clear? So, there are two triangles and both the triangles are right angle triangle. Applying tan theta in both the triangles, we can get the result. Okay. Sir, is this Deeksha and Vedantu different? No, beta, both are similar. See, both are, the Deeksha and Vedantu, see, don't say, sir, Deeksha and Vedantu both are different. See, we both are single, we are all together working, and we all are, dedicatedly providing you, delivering you quality contents that will help you genuinely in your academics, my dear. So, focus here instead of focusing on such things. Okay. Okay. Naveen, please don't write same message again. Don't do spam here, please. Okay, sir. Should I move ahead to the next question? Naveen? My dear, all champions. Okay. Okay. Now, so I hope this question is clear to you. If this question comes up here in your board exam, so will you be able to do this question, my dear? Who can do this question comfortably? Write in comment section if this question comes up in your final board exam on 17th February. Okay. Yes, Captain. Okay. Now moving to next question, question number 8. Okay, this is interesting one. The ratio of the sum of first n terms of two APs, okay, the ratio of sum of first n terms of two APs is given to you. Means two APs are there, so SN divided by SN dash, so two APs are there, so we cannot take SN similar because both the APs are different. So SN is equal to n by 2 to a1 plus n minus 1 d1 is there. See, both APs are different, that's why I'm taking 1, 2a1 and d1. APs, two APs, listen, we are not talking about single AP, two APs are there, so we have to take 1 there. And Sn dash would be 2a2 plus n minus 1, number of terms is same here, so this is equal to what? 7n plus 1 divided by 4n plus 27. This information is given to you, my dear, and we have to find the ratio of their n terms. Means we have to find out an divided by an dash, and we all know an is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into d. So for first AP, 1 is here, and an dash would be a2 plus n minus 1 d2. We have to find this value, the ratio of this whole function. Don't worry, I'm here. So this n by 2 will be cancelled. So what we are having here, 2a1 plus n minus 1 d1 divided by 2a2 plus n minus 1 d2 is equal to 7n plus 1 divided by 4n plus. Now listen, we want this. Now look at here. What differences you can observe, my dear, in this ratio which is required and in this ratio. 2a1 is here, which is not required. We want only a1. We want only a1. This is 2a1. So our target is to eliminate the 2 from here and here. So how we can eliminate 2 here? So there is a short trick. Come on. If Sn is given to you, and the question is asking to find out the ratio of nth term, my dear. So there is a trick I'm giving you. Replace n from 2n minus 1. Come on. Getting my point? Always replace n from 2n minus 1. This is very important. Replace n from 2n minus 1. You might be thinking, sir, why you are replacing 2? Wait a little while, everything will be cleared, my dear. So replace n from 2n minus 1 here. So can we write 2a1 plus n will be replaced from 2n minus 1, and minus 1 is already there. Similarly, 2a2, here also n will be replaced from 2n minus 1 is already there. And if you are making some changes in left hand side, you have to impose same changes on right hand side also. So 7 into n will be replaced from 7n minus 1 plus 1, and here 4n will be replaced from 2n minus 1 plus 27. I hope you are getting my point, right? Now look, 2a1 plus 2n minus 1 will become minus 2. That was the target, to make this whole bracket 2n minus 2, so that we can take common 2 from here. That was the target, my dear. Minus 1 is minus 2. Now we are free to take common, right? So that was the target. And here also 2a2 plus 2n minus 2 d2. Can we solve this? So 14n, 7 to 14 minus 7 1 7 plus 1 divided by 4 to 8 n, 4 1 4 minus 4 plus 27. Now let me solve here this side. So now we can take common 2 from here. So 2 will come common. So 2 we are taking common, a1 plus n minus 1 into d would be there, right? Divided by 2 common, a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is there, is equal to 14n minus 7 plus n would be minus 6, right? And 8n minus 4 plus 27 plus 23 would be there. So 8n plus 23. 2 is cancelled with 2. Wow. So a1 plus n minus 1 d1 divided by a2 plus n minus 1 d2 is basically equal to 14n minus 6 divided by 8n plus 23. And look, what is this? What is this? An by an dash. So we have calculated here, we got the result. An by an dash is equal to 14n minus 6 divided by 8n plus 23. This is your result. I hope you are getting my point. Is it clear to you all? Is it clear to you all, everyone? Very important. So most important thing, the magical thing of this question is this. Always replace n from 2n minus 1. Whenever Sn is given to you and you want to find out the ratio of nth term, always replace n from 2n minus 1. Very important term. Always replace n from 2n minus 1. Okay. Is it clear? Clear? Is it clear, my dear? Just let me know, champions. If anyone is still confused in the solution, just let me know. Sir, please repeat it again. Okay, study is saying, sir, by replacing an we get answer, but how it is correct? See, why we are replacing, study, I don't know your name, brother, I don't know your name. See, why I am replacing, if we replace n from 2n minus 1, listen, look at the bracket here. N minus 1 will be replaced from 2n minus 1, and minus 1 is already there. Minus 1 is already there. Now this bracket will become 2n minus 2. And if 2n minus 2 is there, we can take common. To take common 2 comfortably. We want to take common 2 because 2 is also there. So we want to take common 2 from here so that we can cancel the 2 to make this format possible. This is the target. There is no any mathematical logic. The logic is to convert this format in this format. To convert this format into this format, we need to replace n from 2n minus 1 so that we can take common. I hope this is clear to you. Is it clear? Yes. Is it clear now? Devanshi, hi Devanshi. Yes. We are making changes both sides. We cannot impose change only single side, my dear. This is not allowed in maths. Come on. Okay, sir, I understood. Thank you very much, sir. Caution. Very good. Who is this? Devdas is there. Caution, you guys are not allowed to talk. This is the decorum of live session, my dear. You are not allowed to talk. Focus here, my dear. You are not worried. You don't have fear. Your 17th February is so close. But still, you guys are chatting with each other. Come on. How you are going to give your result to your parents, my dear? Get up, yaar. Be serious. I am putting very much effort for you all. I am giving you quality mathematics here. But you guys are talking. You are indulging in so much different kind of things over there. Focus here, my dear, and practice the questions all together with me. Come on. Hi, sir. Hi, Ashwani. Hi. Is it clear? Now, moving to next question, question number 9. I think this is visible to you. This class interval and frequency is visible to you, my dear? Okay. Hi, sir. Okay. Yeah, look at the question. The median of the following frequency distribution is 35. One information is given to you. Median is given to you here. Median is already given to you. Median is already given to you, which is 35. Right? And there is a class interval. Median is given to you and class interval is given to you. So this is class interval and these are the frequencies. From 0 to 10, if this is the class interval, frequency is 2, 10 to 20, frequency is 3, 20 to 30, frequency is x. Frequency is x. X is unknown. And the question is, find the value of x. We have to find the value of x here. This is the question. I hope you are getting my point. Yes, who is this? Bagad. Who is this? So funny here. Okay. Okay, look, my dear. So median is given to you and we have to find out the value of this x. If median is given to you, it indicates that we are going to use the formula of median. Obvious. If median is given to you, so mode, we are not going to use the formula for mode and median, mode and mean. Obvious, this is obvious thing. If median is given, so the formula of median will be used. But to use the formula for median, there must be class frequency, cumulative frequency table. So first we have to find out cumulative frequency table, CF. And you all know CF is the sum of the frequencies. So this is 2, so 2 will remain same. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus x is 5 plus x, and 5 plus x plus 6. We know we add the numbers in cross form. So 5 plus x plus 6 is 11 plus x, and 11 plus 5 is 16 plus x, and 16 plus 3, this 16 plus 3 is what? 19 plus x, and 19 plus 2 is 21 plus x, and this is called n. N is 21 plus x. I hope you got the point. So to apply the formula of median, we must have cumulative frequency table first. Without cumulative frequency, we cannot find out the median, we cannot write down the formula for median. So this is given to you. Now focus on one thing, median is already given to you. My dear, if median is already given to you, so in which interval this median will drop? So I think if median is 35, so it means that the median may be, this is confirmed, 35 is there, so 35 is will be in between 30 and 40. So this is your median class, because median is already given to you. So if median is 35, so median will lie between 30 and 40. 30 and 40. So this is your median class, my dear. This is your median class. I hope you got the concept. This is called median class. And if this is median class, everything is clear. The preceding of median class, the cumulative frequency which is preceding of median class is called CF. So this is your CF. And we know the formula for median is, formula for median is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Now can we use the formula here? So look, median is given to you, which is 35. 35 is equal to L is what? Lower limit. This is called lower limit. 30 is the lower limit. So 30 plus n by 2. This is 21 plus x. N is 21 plus x. So n by 2 can be written as 21 plus x divided by 2. Because x is still unknown. So 21 plus x divided by 2 minus, this is your CF, which is 5 plus x. So 5 plus x divided by F. F is what? Frequency of the median class, which is 6. 6 into H. H is what? Class size. This is called class size. So the difference between 30 and 40 is 10 here. Now can we solve? We can take this 30 this side. So 35 minus 30 is 5 here. And can we take LCM here? So 21 plus x and minus, if we take LCM, so 2 will multiply there. Minus 10 plus minus minus 2x divided by 6 to the 12 into this is 10 there. Okay, so 5 is equal to, this is 21 and this is 10 here. So if we subtract 10 from 21, 11 would be there, right? And this is plus x and this is minus x. So minus x is there. Divided by 12 into 10. Can we cross multiply? So 12 into, we can cancel this, 5 to the 10, 6. So 6, 5 the 30 is there. Right, and 30 is there, 6, 5 are 30, and 5 will come this side, equals to 11 minus x. So 5 will cancel this 6, so 6 is equal to 11 minus x, so x will go that side, 6 will come this side, 11 minus 6, so x equals to 5. This is your answer, my dear. X equals to 5 is your answer. Is it clear? Hi everyone. Aditya, hi Aditya. Hello sir, hi, hello everyone. Solo, I don't know your name, Solo. Welcome to Deeksha Vedantu. Sir, camera is not working. Camera is working. Who is captain of this live session? I haven't appointed anyone as captain. I am the captain. Okay? Is it clear, my dear? Yeah, Abhinav, x is 5. So I hope this question is clear to you, everyone. X is equals to 5, my dear. So median was given 35. So if I ask you in which interval this 35 will lie, so the 35 will lie between 30 and 40. So this is your median class. And once you get the median class, every data will be in front of you. Now the rest work will be mathematical calculation. The most important thing is to get the median class when you are finding modal class, right? So this is very important. Okay. Hi Akshat. Hello sir. Hi Akshat. Okay. Superb, superb. Is it clear, my dear? So the value of x is 5 here. Now moving to next question. Next question, question number 10. Question number 10 for you all. The George 1, I don't know your name, George. Can you please write your correct name? Okay. Captain, salute. I know. I can understand. You guys are not focusing on your board exam. You all are focusing on border 2. I know. Come on, get up, bro. 17 February. Look, you don't have so much of time. Okay. Your name is Bawa. What a name, Bawa. Okay. Should I move ahead? Look at the question. Even I don't require pen here to solve this question. Without using this stylus pen, we can solve this question orally. Yes, we can solve this question orally. So listen, I'm not going to use this pen anymore. Look at the question. In the given figure, AB is perpendicular to BC. So I'm not going to use this pen. You all can understand where is AB and where is BC. So AB is perpendicular to BC, very good. And DC is perpendicular to BC, very good. This DC is perpendicular. I'm not going to use this pen. DC is perpendicular to BC. It means this is 90 and here is also 90. And if this is 90 and this is 90, it means they both are parallel. Come on, they both are parallel. And if two lines are parallel, so this line is working as transversal. And if two lines are parallel and one is transversal, there will be an alternate angle. So this angle of a smaller triangle is equal to this angle of a bigger triangle. So one angle is already equal by alternate interior angle, and here is 90 degree in this smaller triangle, and in bigger triangle this is 90 degree. Wow! Two angles are equal to each other. And if two angles are equal to each other, the triangle will be similar to each other. So in this question is tricky. This question is just all about your, observation. If your observation is clear, the result in your hand. I don't require to use this pen. Sir, board are coming. How funny you guys are. Sir, don't do this, otherwise people start taking oral tests in maths. Is it clear? Sir, can you give the statement we can use in board to tell the parallel? Of course, I'm going to solve, don't worry. Just in a fun way, I was solving this question orally. I'm going to solve this question, my dear. Don't worry. Sir, good evening. Haniche, yeah, good evening. Sir, love you. Love you, true boy. Thank you. Okay, now solve this question. So listen, my dear, listen. Let me give you the concept how you should write the solution. Your presentation. Listen. If AB is perpendicular to BC, come on. AB is perpendicular to BC. Let's say this is first. AB is perpendicular on BC, come on BC, and DC is also perpendicular to BC. These two informations are given to you. Here, AB is perpendicular to BC and DC is also perpendicular to BC. Now, my dear, if I draw a line and if I tell you one line is perpendicular to this and this line is also perpendicular to same line, so it indicates that these two lines will be parallel to each other. If this line would have been this way, so this cannot be 90 degree and it cannot be equal to this. So if both angles are equal, this is the corresponding angle, my dear. Yes, my dear, corresponding angle. So we can write if AB is perpendicular to BC and DC is perpendicular to BC, so AB is parallel to DC. You can directly write AB is parallel to DC. Simple. Because they both lines, AB and DC, they both lines are making 90 degree with the same side. BC is common in both. So AB will become parallel to DC. Now we have to prove triangle CED is similar to triangle ABC. Now if these triangles are there, now in triangle CED and triangle ABC. Okay, now go in these two triangles. So in CED, if I write the angle DCE, angle DCE, where is DCE? DCE, this angle. This angle will be equal to this. Why? Because this line and this line, they both are parallel. We have proved here. Both are parallel, and both are parallel, it means it is working as transversal. AC is working as transversal. So DCE will be equal to DCE. Then we have to follow same corresponding DCE. So CAB. Now check. Where is CAB? CA. Wow. If you are taking DCE, then we have to take same corresponding format here. DCE, then CAB, and it is already matching. So we can write here by alternate interior angle. By alternate interior angles. Now angle DEC, which is 90 degree. Angle DEC, if we are taking DEC, come on, DE then C, DEC, then we have to take CBA, angle CBA. Now verify, DCE, DEC, this is the, and CBA, wow, both are verified. So if we are taking here DCE, then we have to take DCE, so we have to take here CBA, and each equal to 90 degree. Each equal to 90 degree. And we all know this is the property of triangles. If two angles are equal to each other, then by double A similarity, triangle CED has become similar to triangle ABC. I hope this is clear to you all. Is it clear, my dear? I hope this is clear to all, my dear champions. I hope this is clear to you all. Yes. Sir, please discuss many expected questions from triangles. See, because of your frequent queries and frequent messages regarding word problem question from pair of linear equation in two variable, quadratic equation, and arithmetic progression, I am planning, my dear, to give you a single video for word problem and the complex questions, complicated question, which is most expected for this year. I am working on that, my dear. Stay connected, keep coming on the channel so that you all can get advantage, my dear. Is it clear? This question is clear to you all? Is this question is clear to you all? Give me thumbs up. You guys are there. So many students are loving the questions. Wow. Sir, I have one doubt that in lower class we use common side in congruence. Common side in congruence, but in similarity we could not use in similarity. Common side. See, in similarity, see, in congruency, sides are equal in dimension, and if two parameters are equal, we can write common, right? But in similarity, we have to take a ratio, corresponding ratio, my dear. Ratio. In the triangles, every dimension will be different from each other. Okay? Yes, sir. Clear. Is it clear, my dear? Should I move ahead? Come on, give me thumbs up, my dear. I'm waiting. I'm eagerly waiting for your response. Come on, Aditya. Note putes. Only few students have thumbs up me. The George study. Yes, Captain. Marine is there. So many students are there watching live session, but still. Okay, sir. Understood. Superb. Now, moving to next question. Question number 11. Yes. Thank you, Mika. Thank you. Solo is writing to. What is this? Tum se up. Yes, Captain. Yes, Captain. Move ahead. Okay. Clear, sir. Thank you. Okay, look at the question number 11. In an AP, fourth term is 0. one information is given to you. First information is fourth term is 0. Come on, write it down. Fourth term is 0. This information is given to you. Now we have to prove that it's 25th term. Okay, we have to prove that 25th term A25 is a triple 3 into its 11th term. We have this information is given to you, and we have to prove this. To prove that the 25th term is triple thrice of 11th term. Don't worry, listen my dear. If fourth term is given to you, which is 0, fourth term means what? A plus 3d equals to 0. Yes, if fourth term is here, so the formula will become a plus 3d. So can we write here a will become equals to minus 3d? I hope this is clear to you. A will become minus 3d. I have shifted this minus 3 that side. Now look, this is a 25th term, so we can write a plus 24d. In formula, if we are calculating, finding out 25th term, always take 24, one less value. Right, and 3 into this is 11th term, so 11th term can be written as a plus 10d. I hope you are getting my point. Now proof a is equal to what? Minus 3d. Can we put here minus 3d plus 24d? Now here 3 into a, we can replace this a from minus 3d plus 10d. So minus 3d plus 24d, we are getting here 21d. Minus 3d plus 24d, positive 21d is there. 3 into minus 3d plus 10d, minus 3 plus 10 will become 7d. Wow! So 21d is there, and here 7 3s are 21d. Hence proved. Hence proved that the 25th term is equal to triple of 11th term. I hope you got the solution. Very easy, just magical thing. Just magic. Is it clear, my dear? All? Is it clear, my dear champion? Just let me know, is it clear? If anyone is still confused, write in comment section, sir, I couldn't get the point, please repeat it again. And if everything is clear, you have understood it well, write in comment section, sir, please move ahead to the next question. Yes, sir, clear. Okay, 2 students have responded, yes sir, clear. I am waiting for others' response. My dear. Sir, Ronaldo या Messi? Sonu sir, your Sonu sir. Please repeat. Okay, Abhinav, listen, the question is, fourth term is 0, my dear. And if fourth term is 0, so fourth term can be written as a plus 3d equals to 0. And if we shift this 3d that side, so a will become equal to minus 3d. This information was given. And we have to prove that the 25th term is equal to the thrice of 11th term. So 25th term can be written as a plus 24d, and 11th term can be written as a plus 10d, right? And a, we can replace this a by minus 3d, and doing the calculation we got that RHS is coming 21d and LHS is also coming 21d. It means that this is absolutely correct. This was the question. Now is it clear to you, Abhinav? Now is it clear to you? I'm not getting Ashwani. I have just explained it again for you. Come on, my dear. Is it clear? Moving to next question, question number 12. Wow. Question number 12. Question number 12 for you all. Hemant is writing. Ashwani and Abhinav, is it clear? Okay. Now moving to next question. Look at the question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial this. Okay, so one quadratic polynomial is already given to you and alpha and beta are the zeros. Now my dear, if alpha and beta are the zeros and quadratic polynomial is given to you, so you all know sum of zeros alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a. So here b is what? This is b, my dear. This is b. And this is a. And this is c, my dear. So b is what? Minus 5. So minus into minus 5 by a is what? 2. So this is basically 5 by 2. And if I write here product of zeros, alpha into beta. So alpha into beta is what? C by a. And c is what here? 7. 7 by a is 2. So this is 7 by 2. But the question is some other thing. Look what question is asking to you. The question is asking, find the quadratic polynomial. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are this and this. Find that quadratic polynomial whose zeros are this and this. So you all know there is a very special formula, x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equals to 0. You all know this formula. If roots are already given to you, we can find out the quadratic polynomial by using this formula. But the condition is that these are the roots. So how we can solve this question? Listen, x square minus sum of roots. So add these two. So 2 alpha plus 3 beta plus 3 alpha plus 2 beta. Right? Into x plus product of roots. It means 2 alpha plus 3 beta into 3 alpha plus 2 beta, right, equals to 0. Now solve this. So the question is x square minus 2 alpha plus 3 alpha. Can we write 5 alpha? 3 beta plus 2 beta. Can we write 5 beta? Right? And into x. And here we have to multiply the values. So multiply 2 alpha to this whole bracket. So the result would be, when we'll multiply 2 alpha into 3 alpha, this is 6 alpha square. Now multiply this 2 alpha from this 2 beta. So I think 4 alpha beta would be there. Now multiply from this value to whole bracket. So 3 beta into 3 alpha would be 3 3 ja 9 alpha beta. Right? And here 3 beta into 2 beta would be 6 beta square equals to 0. The basic calculation is there. Can we take 5 common here? So x square minus 5, and this is alpha plus beta will be left here, and this is alpha plus beta is what? Sum of zeros, which is equal to 5 by 2. Come on, wait. We are approaching to the result. Don't worry. Now here in this bracket, everything is in this bracket. The challenging thing is here. So 6 alpha square plus 6 beta square, we can write here 6 into alpha square plus beta square. If you agree, 6 alpha square plus 6 beta square can be written as 6 into alpha square plus beta square, right? And this is 4 alpha beta, 9 alpha beta can be written as 13 alpha beta. Is it clear, my dear? Equals to 0. Equals to 0. Now you can see here, this is, we required alpha plus beta, which are already having alpha plus beta, and this is alpha into beta, we are having the values. But alpha square plus beta square is most challenging thing here. We have to calculate the value of alpha square plus beta square. So alpha square plus beta square can also be written as alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2 alpha beta. Agree or not? If you open this bracket, alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, and to cancel plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta is already there. So basically this whole family is equal to alpha square plus beta square. Now look, alpha plus beta is what? This is 5 by 2. So we can put here 5 by 2 square minus 2 into alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is 7 by 2. 7 by 2. So we can find out the value. This is 25 by 2. 25 by 4, right, minus 2 will cancel this 2, so only 7 is there. So this is 25, by taking LCM the 4 will go that side, 28 divided by 4, so 25 minus 28 is minus 3 by 4. So the value of alpha square plus beta square is minus 3 by 4. Now we can solve the question. So x square minus 5 into alpha plus beta is 5 by 2 x, okay, plus 6 into alpha square plus beta square is minus 3 by 4, okay, plus 13 alpha into beta is what, 7 by 2. So this is 7 by 2 equals to 0. Now solve here. I'm using this space. Now, so this is 5 5 are 25. So x square minus 25 by 2 x, and this is 2 will cancel, 2 2 are 4, 3 2 are 6. So 3 3 are 9 minus, this is plus here, plus. Can we solve this? So minus minus 3, 3 3 are 9, minus 9 by 2, and here 13 7 ja, this 13 7 ja 91 divided by 2 equals to 0. Now can we solve this? Yeah, we can solve this here. So x square minus 25 by 2x, can we take here LCM? So 2 will be LCM, and minus 9 plus 91. Yes, solve this. You will be getting the value, I think. Yes, solve this. What will be the final result? Who answered it correct here? Okay, I'm waiting for your response, my dear. Who answered here? A is 2, B is minus 25, C is, okay, yeah, correct. Plus 13 alpha beta is there. Perfect. So just solve this. Find out the value, my dear. I want result from you all. I want result from you all. What result will be there? So we can solve here, na? X square minus 25 by 2x, and this is minus 9 plus 91. This is 91 and this is 9. So what result will be there? Can we write here 80 plus, this is, my dear, minus 9 and this is 91. You all know 82 is there. So 82 divided by 2 is there, and 2 can cancel directly. Yeah, this is 42. So the answer, 41 is there. So the answer is x square minus 25 by 2x plus 42 equals to 0. I want to see the result in comment section. 2x square. No one is giving correct. Sir, mathematics is important for biotech. Yeah, of course, maths is important. Is it clear, my dear? Is it? Hi, everyone. So this, see, you can keep this question, you can leave this answer as it is, and if you want to modify this, you can modify further. We can take LCM here too. So if we take LCM here, so 2 will go there. So 2x square minus 25x, and 2 into 41. This is 41, my dear. 41 into 2 would be plus 82 equals to 0. You can also write this equation in this format. Yes, 2x square minus 25x. Yeah, George is correct here. George is giving correct answer. So such question generally comes in your board exam, my dear. Look at the solution. So the question was, one quadratic polynomial was already given to you, and alpha and beta are the roots of that quadratic polynomial. We have to find out the one more quadratic polynomial whose zeros are this and this. So by using this formula, x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots. So there is, calculation is there, mathematical calculation. We cannot skip it because it's all about your marks and all. So this is the answer, my dear. I hope this is clear to you. Is it clear? Is it clear, my dear? Should I move ahead to the next question? You all are there. Okay. Yeah, Vinay. Hi, Vinay. Ashwani. Is it clear? Now moving to next question. This one is logical. This one is logical, my dear. Yes, this one is logical. Yes, sir, it is clear. Yeah, Devanshi, thank you, Devanshi, Kavya. Now time to do something rocking here. And the rocking question is in front of you from trigonometry, which is most favorite chapter of yours. I know. Trigonometry is your favorite chapter, I know. You all love trigonometry a lot. Is it true? Is it true, my dear? Hi Anju, hi, how are you? The student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button first, my dear, so that you can get further notification in future, because this channel is dedicatedly working for 10th board student, my dear. All the faculty members, all the teachers are working tirelessly, and trust you, they all are putting complete huge effort to bring out to deliver you the quality contents that will genuinely help you all in your board exam. So go and hit the subscribe button, my dear. True, sir. Okay, now should we do this question? Start. Okay, look at the question, my dear. This question comes in a competency based category. So how we use trigonometry. Wow, what a question, man. Subscribed, superb. Devanshi, superb, all the very best, very good. Go and come on, hit the subscribe button, my dear, because I'll be coming with, you know, marathon also with word problem questions. I'm looking out, I am researching and analyzing the numerous question paper of previous years, so that I can come out with some quality content for you. So I'm thinking out to give you a complete session on word problem questions, especially from pair of linear equation to variable, quadratic equations, and arithmetic progression basically. So I'll be coming very soon on live session, so go and hit the subscribe button so that you all can get notification in time. Okay, so start the solution. So the question is, see, I can solve this question by two methods, but I'm going to share you a very convenient and very comfortable method to you all. If this question appears in your exam or something relatable to this question, so how you guys should approach the solution, let me give you the solution. So this is the RHS side, this complete is RHS. Okay, this is RHS. Look at the RHS, my dear. This is RHS side. Okay, and this whole is LHS side. We have to prove RHS equals to LHS. We can start proving this question. Either you can operate RHS to get LHS, and you can also operate LHS to get RHS. You are free to operate any one side in this question. This is the beauty of this question. So I'm going to operate LHS. So I'll be suggesting you, I would like to suggest you operate LHS only, always. So look at the LHS. So the question is 1 by cosec A minus cot A plus, sorry, minus is there, minus 1 by sine A, right? So rationalize this function, only this. So if we rationalize this function, so can we write this function as 1 by cosec A minus cot A multiply cosec A plus cot A divided by cosec A plus cot A. I hope you all know how to rationalize. I am not disturbing this family at all. No need to disturb 1 by sine A, my dear. Rationalize this one. And you all know rationalizing, changing the sign. By changing the sign, we need to multiply numerator and denominator from this function. But if negative sign is there, we have to take positive sign. Multiply numerator and denominator both. Now, look, cosec A plus cot A into 1 will be only cosec A plus cot A. Right? Now look at here, my dear. A minus B, and this is A plus B, and you all know A minus B, A plus B is A square minus B square. So we can write here A square cosec square A minus cot square A minus 1 by sine A is already there. Don't do anything 1 by sine A. Keep it as it is. Now cosec A plus cot A, and this is cosec square A minus cot square A. We know there is an identity 1 plus cot square A equals to cosec square A, and if we shift this cot that side, so 1 can be written as cosec square A minus cot square A. If you agree, can we write cosec square A minus cot square A as 1? So this family will become 1. So only cosec A plus cot A minus 1 by sine A is there with me, right? Because it has become 1. Now this cosec A can be written as what? 1 by sine A. 1 by sine A, cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So 1 by sine A, right, plus cot A can be written as cos A by sine A. Agree or not? And this 1 by sine A is already there. Is it clear? Cosec A can be written as 1 by sine A and cot A is equal to cos by sine. I hope you are getting my point. I hope you all are getting my point. Now keep this as it is, because as you all can see on right side, this is 1 by sine A. So it indicates that we are approaching to the result. 1 by sine A is already there. So it indicates that now we need to operate, now we need to do any operation to these two family only, because we required 1 by sine A at first position and 1 by sine A is appeared here. So we don't need to disturb this 1 by sine A. We need to disturb this only, these two families. So let me give you the solution. So 1 by sine A plus, can we take LCM here? So sine A, the LCM of sine A and sine A will become only sine A. Will leave only sine A, will be there sine A. Now this can be written as cos A minus 1. Now again rationalize from this function according to this function. So 1 by sine A plus cosec A minus 1 divided by sine A, we can rationalize this as cos A plus 1 divided by cos A plus 1. Wait, have patience, wait. Let me show you the magical result. Wait, my dear champion, just wait a little while. So we can write here cos A plus 1. Now look, this is cos A minus 1 and this is cos A plus 1. Can we apply identity cos A square minus 1? So we can write here 1 by sine A plus A square. This is cos square A minus 1 and this is sine A into cos A plus 1. I hope you are getting my point. Now this is cos square minus 1. If we write this 1 minus cos square A, so minus will be impacted here. Minus will leave the impact here. So we can write this in the form of 1 by sine A minus, and this function will change 1 minus cos square A divided by sine A cos A plus 1. Now, my dear champions, you all know 1 minus cos square A equals to sine square A. So 1 by sine A minus this will be sine square A divided by sine A into cos A plus 1. Right? This sign will cancel this sign. So what we are getting here? 1 by sine A minus sine A will be there only because one sign is cancelled, divided by this is cos A plus 1. Cos A plus 1. Now divide this numerator and denominator from sine A. Divide this numerator and denominator from sine A. Wow, the magical result in front of you. Sine A divided by sine A, here also cos A divided by sine A plus this is 1 by sine A. Now you all can see the result here, the magical result in front of you. Sine by sine will be cancelled. It means 1 is there. So 1 is there. So we can write 1 here. Now look, cos by sine is there. So cos by sine is basically cot A is there. Right? And 1 by sine A is there. Cosec A is there. Wow. Look at the result, my dear. 1 by sine A, 1 by sine A minus 1 by cosec A plus cot A, cosec A plus cot A. This is the result. This is the beauty of this question, my dear. I know the question is a bit lengthy, but this is competency based question. Trust me, my dear. Look at the level. I can solve this question by one more method, but I personally found this method is very easy. See, what you need to do, you have to rationalize 2 times. One rationalize will be here and one rationalize will be here. So rationalization is required twice in this solution. This is all about. Write down the solution. Is it clear, my dear champions? Is it clear? Yeah, see, Mika, what I'm saying here, whatever method you guys feels easy, you can follow that. We can solve this question again by simplifying the RHS and simplifying the LHS separately. We can simplify RHS and we can simplify LHS both to equate RHS and LHS. But what I did here, I just operated only LHS. And by doing the operation, we got RHS. So it depends on you. Yeah, study. You can follow. Yeah, sir, from this question, can we write from RHS? Yes, of course, my dear champion. You can follow any. Either you can start solving the question from taking the LHS or taking the RHS, doesn't matter. Okay. Yes, Mika. Is it clear? Is it clear, my dear? Just write down in comment section. Yes, sir, clear. Give me thumbs up. Show me your involvement. Come on, yeah, don't talk with each other, don't tag each other. See, your maths exam is around the corner, my dear, but still you guys are indulging such chatting and all. Focus on question, practice all together with me, my dear. Yes, hi Ashwani, yes sir. Irene, hi Irene, how are you? Yes, Devanshi, is it clear? Give me thumbs up if you all are there, my dear. If you all are enjoying the session, just show me your involvement, my dear. Oh sir, I understand now. Is it clear? All clear. Yes, yes, Captain. You guys are calling me Captain, I don't know why. I know you guys are, you guys are going to use this tag Captain for a long, I know. The people will start calling me Captain, I don't know why. Okay, all clear. Iran, okay, Iran. Thank you so much, Iran. Yes. All clear, my dear students? Okay. Someone is writing, Hemant is writing both side cot A cap. See, Abhinav, whatever the method you feels comfortable, you can proceed. But I personally will suggest you follow this method. With this method, the calculation a bit longer. But that method will also be longer if you operate LHS and RHS separately. And here in this method, what you need to do, you have to just rationalize 2 times. One rationalizer will be implemented here, and again the rationalization will be imposed here. 2 rationalization is there only. And by doing the rationalization twice, you can get the result. Clear, sir? Yes, Captain. Moving to next question, question number 14. All is yours. Question number 14. Question number 14. You might have seen this question anywhere. The golf ball. The golf ball. Now try this question. Question number 14, my dear. All clear? Is it clear? Hemant, Mika, Abhinav, Study, Ashwani, Devanshi is there. Okay, now try to solve this question for you all specially, my dear. Question number 14. Yeah. So look at the question. This is important question, I think. Look, the question is, a golf ball has a diameter equal to 4.1 centimeter. So there is a golf ball. You might have seen golf ball, my dear. So there are, so many dimples on golf ball. Semicircular dimples are there. Its surface has 150 dimples, each of radius 2 mm. Okay. Calculate total area. This is total, my dear. Calculate total area which is exposed to the surroundings, assuming that the dimples are hemispherical. So we have to assume that the dimples are hemispherical, my dear. So there are 50 dimples, means 50 hemispherical dimples are there, right? Hemispherical. So my dear, look, if I ask you, if the diameter of golf ball is 4.1, if the diameter of the golf ball is 4.1, so can we write the radius of ball, RB, radius of ball would be 4.1 divided by 2, right? And 4.1 divided by, I think, 2.05 will be there. 2.05 centimeter. This is the radius. Agree? And the radius of, because the dimples are hemispherical and radius is 2 mm. So we can write here radius of dimple, RD, is 2 mm. 2 mm will be converted into centimeter first. So we have to divide 2 from 10 to convert the mm into centimeter. So this is 0.2 centimeter. I hope you are getting my point. Is it clear? Now listen. Now the area which is exposed to the surrounding, area exposed to the surrounding, is what? Is equal to area of golf ball, total surface area of golf ball, total surface area of golf ball. We can write here total surface area of golf ball minus, because on the surface of golf ball there are 150 dimples. Yes, if we talk about one dimple will look like this. So we have removed this circular portion from the surface of hemisphere. See, if we talk about one dimple, if we drill one dimple in the golf ball, means we are removing the circular part. If we are taking total surface area, then we have to subtract the 150 dimples circular in shape, because we are removing the plastic from that circular portion is removed. So minus 150 into what? Pi r square. Pi r d square, because dimple is there. 150 into pi r d square. Why? Because this dimple is circular in shape. And the newly exposed area will be hemispherical, curved surface area. So curved surface area will be added up, because that hemispherical bowl in the form of dimples is exposed to the surrounding. This we are subtracting. Why? Because circular portion is removed out from the surface of golf ball. But the newly exposed area is introduced, which is curved surface area of hemisphere. And how many dimples are there? 150. So we can write here 150 into what? Curved surface area of hemisphere. And the curved surface area of hemisphere would be, hemispherical dimples is what? 2 pi r d square. I hope you are getting my point. So why we are subtracting this 150 pi d square? Because from the spherical golf ball, circles are removed. So we have to subtract that. But we will be adding this, because the curved surface area is newly exposed to the surrounding here. So can we find out here? 4 pi r square r, and this is ball, 4 pi r square total surface area, minus this is 150 pi r d square dimple, plus 150 into 2 is what? 150 into 2 is 300 pi r d. This is 150 into pi r d whole square, r d whole square. They both are same, pi r d square, pi r d square. So we can write here 4 pi r b square minus, we can write here plus 150, and this is 300. So 150 pi r d square. Now we need to solve the values here. So we can write here 4 into pi is 22 by 7, and radius of ball is what? 2.05 whole square, plus 150 into pi, we can write pi as 3.14, right? Or we can say pi by 20 by 7, we can write again 22 by 7, don't worry. So 22 by 7, right? And the radius of this dimple is 0.2, right? So 0.2 whole square. Solve here. You can get the result by doing this. Come on, I hope you got the values. Yes, 37 point doubt, sir. Where is doubt? Pi value. See, pi we can put here 3.14 or 22 by 7, don't worry. Now multiply the values. Please solve this. So 22 into 4 can be written as 88 divided by 7, and this is 2.05 whole square, and here we can write 150 into 22 by 7, and 0.2 whole square can be written as 0.04. Right? Now solve this. What would be the result? 71.6, sir. I got 37. No, 37.4 centimeter square is not answer. Sir, the effective reflecting area of the golf ball is 22.8 pi, which is approximately, yes, Mika, correct. Solve this, please. Come on, my dear champion, solve this. You can get the result here. Solve this. I want to see the answer from you all. 71.6 is correct. Very good. Come on, I am just giving you one task, one work to you all. Solve this. Because directly and indirectly you have to sit in your examination hall and you have to do the mathematical calculation. So please do here. 16.8, 22. Very good. Yes. Superb. Yeah, when you will be solving this, so you will be getting 71.68 centimeter square, and approximately we can write this 71.7. Someone is writing there 71.7 we can write, or we can write 71.68. Is it clear, my dear champions? Is it clear, my dear? Come on, solve this question. Solve this here. 2.05 whole square, what you are getting? Is it correct or not? Are you guys getting, by solving this function, this answer is coming or not? Please verify this and write in comment section. Yes sir, 71.6 is there. Come on, write in comment section. Yes sir, we are getting same value. Please solve this. Yeah, around 71.6. Sir, from this question, what is the most common mistake student make? See, what student make the common mistake in writing this format. This format is very important. If you don't know how to write this format, which area will be added, which area will be subtracted, then these mathematical calculation is not for you. See, if your formula is not correct, your format is not correct, how you guys can get the result? So which area is subtracted, which will be added, this is the most important thing. So why I'm subtracting this circle here, pi d square? Because we are removing the circular part, removing the circular part from the spherical surface. From ball, we are removing the circular part, but the hemispherical curved surface area is introduced. So this is the most important thing, if I personally suggest you all. Yes sir, clear. Very good. Thank you. Sir, in this question, if they give pi value 3.17, can be used 22. Hi, yeah, you can use, don't worry my dear. But see, when they give you the values, if in any question the value of pi is already provided to you, so that generally why the examiner gives you the value, to make your calculation smoother and comfortable. Personally, you can feel it. If they are suggesting to put pi 3.14 and you are putting 22/7, and when they are suggesting you 22/7 and you are putting 3.14, you can feel the difference, right? If they are suggesting you to put 22/7, so it means that 7 will be cancelling any other number, neighboring number there. So there is some sense, there is some logic behind it, why they are suggesting you the values. Are you getting my point? But in this question, pi is not suggested. Whether we can put pi 3.14 or 22/7 doesn't matter. But if the question is suggesting you to put pi 22/7, so never switch to 3.14. Please put 22/7. I hope this is clear to you all. Is it clear? Sir, in the question, if Ashwani, is it clear to you, Ashwani? Please write it down in comment section. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Very good, Ashwani. Now, moving to next. I hope this is clear to you all. If you solve this whole function, you will get this result. But see, personally, if I suggest you honestly, so I think I'm not giving the value to these mathematical calculation. You all can do this mathematical calculation. But the most important thing in this question is this: how to write the format. How to write the format. I hope I am friend. Yes, is it clear? Moving to next question, question number 15, my dear. Yes, moving to question number 15. Very important question, competency based question, my dear. Quality question. Hi innocent, hi innocent. Stay here. Your 17th February is there, my dear. I am preparing your maths, my dear. Stay here. These questions will help you out genuinely. Mark my words, my dear. These questions are very important for your examination point of view, if I tell you honestly, my dear. Okay. I hope you all are getting this point. Superb. Oh, you are studying mathematics? Oh, my dear champions, very good. Stay blessed. Maths is not for, to make you happy or no. Maths is just practice. Practice will give you perfection in maths, my dear. Okay? So start this question. So in a circle with center O and radius 5 centimeter, AB is a chord of 5 root 3 centimeter. Very good. Listen. Then find the area of sector AOB. My dear, this question is asking you to find out the area of sector. And we all know area of sector is basically equal to theta by 360 pi r square. This formula we use. But here theta is not given. This theta is not given to you. We don't know the angle. So if the angle is not there, how you can find the area of sector? You cannot. So the first target is to find out the theta, to get the theta. And once you get the theta, you can get the result of this area of sector. So my target is to find out the theta first, my dear. So how we can find out theta? Let me give you the solution. So listen, my dear, if AB is chord and O is center, so this line will make here angle 90 degree. Because this is a theorem, the line drawn from center to the chord is always 90 degree. And this line bisects the chord into two equal parts. And if this whole is 5 root 3, so this A and this is L here, so this AL will be what? 5 root 3 divided by 2. And this is also 5 root 3 divided by 2. By theorem, the line drawn from center always divides the chord is as perpendicular bisector, my dear. So 90 degree will be there, and this is 5 root 3 by 2. Now look, we want to find out this angle, and once we get this angle, we can find out this angle because both the angles are equal. So let's say this angle is theta, my dear. So for this theta, this is hypotenuse because 90 degrees here, and for this theta, this is perpendicular. So if in triangle AOL, if we write sine theta is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So for this theta, this is perpendicular. 5 root 3 by 2 by hypotenuse, which is 5, and this is 1 here. So we can write 5 root 3 into 1, and 5 to 10 is there. So 5 will cancel this 2. So sine theta, we got sine theta is root 3 by 2. Now if I ask you at which angle sine gives you root 3 by 2, so theta would be 60 degree. And if theta is 60 degree, if this is 60 degree, then it will also be 60 degree. So 60 plus 60, the complete angle has become 120 degree, my dear. The complete angle has become 120 degree. And we can write theta plus theta is 2 theta, which is equal to 120 degree. And this is the angle by this sector. This is the angle by this sector. The complete angle is 120 degree. Now we can find out the area. So area of sector is theta by 360. Theta 60 plus 60 is what? 120 divided by 360 into pi r square, my dear. 0 0 cancel, 12 3 just 3. So this is pi by 3. R is what? Radius is given here. Radius is 5 here. So 5 square, and 5 square is 25. So 25 pi by 3 centimeter square. This is the area. This is the area. Is it clear? Is it clear, my dear? Sir, please. Neeraj. Hi, Neeraj. How are you, man? Is it clear, my dear? See, I can do mathematics question just in second, my dear. I need your support. If you want mathematical calculation, the solution of the question, just in second, just in minute, in very easy manner, in very simple language, I am here to give you. But the condition is that you have to be consistent and honest for yourself, my dear. Come on. So look at the solution. Look at the solution. Okay? Is it clear, Karan? Hi, Karan. Is it clear? You can leave pi as it is. Don't worry. Jagdish, sir, how are you? Ha Jagdish, I am fine. Yes, yes, Captain. Sir, how are you? I am fine, Jagdish. Thank you so much for asking. Thank you. Viren, hi Viren. Is it clear? Anyone who is still confused here? Anyone? Superb. So to find out the area of sector, we must have theta first. Without theta, we cannot find out the area of sector. So first, what I did here, first I got the angle theta. This angle is 60 degree for this. Then this angle will also be 60. So complete angle will be 120 degree. And this 120 degree swept by this sector. Now we can use the formula. Sir, but board expect us the rational value. No need to worry about the answer, my dear. You can get complete marks on this question. Don't worry. I have been evaluator in CBSE twice. Don't worry. It happens. So you can get the marks here. If you want to solve the question in decimal, or if you want to put the value of pi, you can put. Otherwise, you can leave the answer as it is. Okay. Superb. Should I move ahead to the next question? Question number 16. Look at the question here. Question number 16, my dear. Hi, Tasbil. Hello, Tasbil. Tasbil, numbers never matters. If one of from you all become topper, this is the success for me. It will be the success for me and you also. So number never matters. Okay, if one student is there, that student is important for me, right? If you are here, if you came here, just focus on the question and start preparation of your math exam on 17 February, my dear. Don't think here and there things, okay? Yeah, 26. Viren, hi Viren. Okay, should I move ahead? Next question, question number 16. Look at the question. Okay, so a man on a cliff observes, you know cliff? Cliff basically in shape of some wooden piece and small mountain type across the bank of the sea and bank of ocean basically. See, that is called cliff. A man on a cliff observes a boat at an angle of depression 30 degree which is approaching the shore. Shore means the bank of the ocean, bank, which is approaching the shore to the point immediately beneath with a uniform speed. Come on, focus on this word, uniform speed. 6 minutes later, the angle of depression of the boat is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the boat to reach the shore. This question is from PYQ from 2024 year. Yes. Yeah, 3 minutes is correct. But you cannot write 3 minutes directly. You have to go through the statement. If the question is asking, find the time taken by the boat to reach the shore, it means the question is asking complete time. This is not like, what is the time taken by the boat to reach the shore from the point of 60 degree angle. That time will be 3 minutes. But if the question is, find the time taken by the boat to reach the shore, so we are talking about complete time. When the boat starts, approaching towards the shore, so the time will become 6 plus 3 is 9 here. So it depends on statement. Okay. Harshit Kumar. Hi Harshit. Thank you so much, Harshit. Okay. Now listen. A man on a cliff. Listen, my dear. So basically the question is, there is a man. Let's say this is cliff here, and this is ocean. Man is here, and this man is observing a boat. This man is here, and this man is observing a boat which is initially at point here, and the angle of depression, angle of depression always form here. This angle of depression is 30 degree. After 6 minutes, means the boat is here. Initially the boat was there. After 6 minutes, it is found that the angle of depression has become 60 degree. This angle, let me use red color so that you guys can differentiate. Okay, this angle has become 60 degree. You all know, if this is 30 degree angle of depression, so it will become 30 degree, right? Because angle due to alternate interior angle, right? So it has to be 30 degree. This is 30 degree, right? And if this is 60 degree, by alternate interior angle property, this is also become 60 degree. Let's say, so this question is from application, some application of trigonometry, my dear. So let me give you some short trick. In some application of trigonometric chapter, my dear, whenever you are solving the question, always make sure to draw the diagram neat and clean first. First draw the diagram. Diagram plays very important role, my dear. Diagram plays very important role. So what you need to do? First draw the diagram. So we have drawn the diagram here. Now find out the right angle triangle. After drawing the diagram, find out the right angle triangle. So where is the right angle triangle? The right angle triangle first is ABC, this triangle, and the second right angle triangle is ABD, we can call this T. And here from C to D, how much time it took? 6 minutes. 6 minutes. So let the uniform speed of the boat be what? X minute is here, and the distance is given in what? The distance in meter we can say, so this is X meter per minute. X meter per minute, because the time is given in minute. So let the uniform speed of boat be X meter per minute. So what would be this CD? We know speed equals to distance by time. So we can use the formula for this CD. So speed is what? X, and distance is what? CD, and time, how much time it took from C to D? 6 minutes. So CD can be written as 6x. Similarly, if we are writing this as 6x, so let's say it took T time to go from D to B. Let's say the time taken by boat to go from D to B is T minutes. So the distance BD can be written as what? XT. I hope you are getting my point. If this is 6x, it can be written as XT. Why? The distance is equals to speed into time. And speed we have let here X. And we are letting time from D to B is T. So the distance would become XT. Now you have two right angle triangles, my dear. Two right angle triangles. Apply trigonometry in both the right angle triangles. So in triangle, first take this triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD, if we write 1060 degree, 1060 is what? Perpendicular. Let's say the height of cliff is H, perpendicular, which is H, divided by BD, which is XT. And 1060, we all know 1060 is root 3 divided by H by XT. I hope you are getting my point. H by XT. Call this as equation number 1. Now in triangle, one more right angle triangle is there. ABC. In triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, 30 degrees there. So we can write here 1030. 1030 would become perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is AB and base is what? BC, and BC can be written as XT plus 6x. XT plus 6x, right? And we all know 1030 degrees is equal to what? 1030 is 1 by root 3. AB is what? AB is H divided by, we can take x common here. So this is T plus 6. I hope you got the result here. Now this is x. So from equation first we can write AH equals to root 3xt. Now we can put this value here. So 1 by root 3 equals to H can be replaced by root 3xt divided by x into T plus 6, my dear. So x will cancel with this x, cross multiply, root 3t into root 3 will become 3t, right? And this is T plus 6. So we can shift this T this side. So 2t equals to 6. So T will become 3 seconds. So 3 seconds. So the time taken by the boat to go from point D to B is 3 seconds. Now if the question is asking, find the time taken by the boat to reach the shore, means total time. The question is asking for total time from here. So from here to here, 6 minutes, and this is 3 minutes. So the complete time, so total time taken would be 6 plus 3 minutes, my dear. 6 plus 3 minutes, which is equal to what? 9 minutes. 9 minutes is the answer, my dear. So it depends on language, what exactly the question is asking to you. Yeah, minute is there. 3 minutes. Hi Abhinav, thank you so much Abhinav for asking for. Yeah. Yes, is it clear, my dear? Who is changing my title? Captain is good, yeah, I love Captain. Sir, I have question, please read. Sir, so what is your question, my dear? Solo is saying just copy and paste the answer. I don't know what you want to say, Solo. Yeah, 3 minutes is there, my dear. Where I'm writing second? I haven't write anywhere second. So this is all. See, listen. Keep two things in mind. Whenever you are solving the question from some application of trigonometry, always find out right angle triangle. Everything will be in right angle triangle. Come on. Draw the diagram first, and after drawing the diagram neat and clean successfully, find out the right angle triangles. Listen, in this question, if I talk about the right angle triangle, this is the right angle triangle. The first right angle triangle here, the bigger one, and the second right angle triangle is here. Only these two triangles will help you out. Always, please apply these two tricks in every question. If any question appears in front of you from some application of trigonometry, always find out the right angle triangle. Is it clear? Sir, I'm saying about. Superb. Should I move ahead to the next question? Question number 17 for you all. Look at the question. This is a bit tricky question, I can say simply. Yeah. Is it clear, my dear? The question number 17 for you. Look at the question, the quality of question. Don't worry, by the way, don't worry. See, you guys are fearful about your board exam. See, I know it happens because I have also been like you before some years ago. I have been like you all because I also passed my 10th standard, then 12th, then graduation, post-graduation, then all degrees and all. So it happens. But believe in yourself, believe on your potential. What you can do, you all can put your effort, you all can try, you all can do hard work, you all can recognize your inner potential, what you are. And if you'll be prepared, if you'll be confident, nothing is challenging for you. No one is going to ask any question from higher standard, from 11th, 12th, and from graduation. Everything will be from your syllabus. Nothing is going to be asked beyond syllabus. So why you are not focusing on your syllabus, my dear? Just focus on your syllabus. Is it clear? See, my dear, this is very concerned and very important thing. See, if your health is not good, please focus on your health. Eat hygienic food. Please, health is everything, my dear. So till your board exam is over, please focus on your health as well, because your parents, your mother, father, everyone, your relatives, all are expecting. They all are, your mother is having. She's looking every day with huge expectation to you all. So you all are going to make them proud, my dear, from your result. Is it clear, my dear? So please stay concerned about your health. Don't compromise with your health. Health is everything, my dear. So Sanjay, if you are new here, the student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button first, because till your exam is over, till your last exam on this particular channel, we'll be working very hard for you to deliver you quality content, very expected question for you all, because every teachers, we all are doing research, analysis and everything, so that we can deliver quality content that will genuinely help you out. So if you are coming in live session with huge expectations, so we all are going to live up to your expectation at all. Okay, Sanjay. So the student who is new here, go and subscribe the channel first. Okay, look at the question. So let me give you a very short trick, the approach how to solve this question. Listen, the ratio in which the line segment this and this is divided by x-axis. Come on, listen, my dear. So two points are there. 2 2 and minus 3, the first point, and the second point is B point is 5, 6, and this is A point. And this, the line joining of these 2 points is divided by x-axis. Come on. If this line segment is divided by x-axis, means this is the point of intersection. And if this is the point of intersection, it means that this point of intersection is on x-axis. Getting my point? See, this is the line segment joining AB, and this is x-axis. And if this is x-axis, it indicates that this point will lie on x-axis. And if any point is on x-axis, it implies this, the y coordinate will become 0. If a point is on y-axis, then x coordinate will become 0. And if a point is on x-axis, then keep y coordinate as 0. So here the point of intersection, this point of intersection will become x will be there, any number I don't know, but y will become 0. Why? Because this is the x-axis. So this point of intersection will lie on x-axis, and if any point is lying on x-axis, it implies that the y-axis will become 0. Now you know the coordinate of this, and we have to find out the ratio. So the ratio is m1 ratio m2. And this coordinate, you know, this coordinate is 0. So for y, 0 will be equal to what? m1 into y2, 6, plus m2 into, this is y1, so m2 into minus 3 divided by m1 plus m2. Right, my dear? And this m1 plus m2 will be multiplied with this 0. And when we multiply any number with 0, the result is 0. So we are getting here 6m1 and minus 3 plus minus will be there, minus 3m2 equals to 0. Can we shift this negative family this side? So 3m2, right? So m1 divided by m2. Look, my dear, from m1 6 is multiplied, and if we are writing m1 here, it implies that we have to write 6 here, so that we can cross multiply, because 6 is multiplied with m1, so 6m1 will be there, and m2, for m2 3 is multiplied, so 3 will be there, 3m2, so 3 will cancel this, so m1 by m2 is 1 by 2, so the answer is 1 ratio 2 answer. This is the answer. Is it clear? Yes, 1 ratio 2, Abhinav. Very good. 1 ratio 2. Okay, is it clear, my dear? Anyone is having any kind of doubt, just let me know, my dear. If you are having any doubt, write in comment section, sir, we could not understand, please repeat it again. I'll repeat it for you all. But write in comment section, my dear. Sir, can you create live session on assertion and reason? Okay, dear, don't worry. Let me think about it, because I have already planned for your word problem question, basically. Because most of the students found, I found so many students were asking me in live session, sir, we are having problem in word problem question. We are not able to do the question word problem. So I was thinking to give you a session, complete session, live session on word problem question, basically. Big question, lengthy question, quality questions for you. Okay. Is it clear? Yeah, you can take k ratio 1, my dear. But I am taking m1, m2. This is my habit. If you want to take k ratio 1, you can take. You can proceed the solution by taking ratio as k ratio 1. Don't worry. It is not fixed कि we cannot take k ratio 1. You can take k ratio 1. Don't worry. Bagad Billa. Yaar, what a beautiful name is this, Bagad Billa. Okay, thank you, Bagad. Hello. Hi, Tushar. Hello, everyone. Sahina. Hi, Sahina. Is it clear? Should I move ahead? See, my dear, listen. I'm deeply connected to you all, and I'm genuinely concerned about your board exam. 17 February is your maths standard, right? And I know many students are still not prepared fully for your board exam. I know. You must be having problem in trigonometry. You must be having problem in triangles. You must be confused in, you might be confused in quadratic equation as well. So these are the most weighted chapter, my dear. Trigo, triangle, quadratic equation, arithmetic progression. So I'm planning to give you all a quality session on these particular chapters so that you can score good marks. Okay. And I have already uploaded so many live sessions. Go and solve all those questions. Okay. Is it clear? You all are enjoying. Stop enjoying, stop roaming here and there, stop wasting your time with your friends. See, to get your lifelong satisfaction, you have to be serious in these coming 12 and 15 days. This time, which is very crucial to you, will give you lifelong satisfaction. Once you will get the result, imagine you got 98% in your board exam. So look how proudly you will be sharing your result, you will be telling your result with your relatives, with your family members and everyone. Look, the moment, yeah. So study to live up those moments, my dear. And unfortunately, if you got bad result, so you are going to hide your face from anyone. You will not be having guts to face the persons in your surrounding. You will be hiding your result. You will be hiding yourself, so that you will be hoping that so that anyone will not ask you the result, how much the percent you got in your board exam, my dear. So these hard work, your effort in these days will give you lifelong satisfaction, my dear. Please mark my words. You might be thinking every teacher gives lecture and motivates and all, but you will be regretting if you will waste your time these times. You will be regretting and you will be remembering my words, my dear. So please stay focused. Give a reward, a big gift to your parents who are respecting your mother, your father. They all are working tirelessly for you, and they are also dreaming to see you as a successful person ahead, my dear. So please focus, my dear. Okay. Yes, Aina, moving to the next question. Let me talk to you. You all are important because you all are going to appear in your board exam. So let me talk to you all. This is my responsibility to guide you academically and non-academically both. Okay. Sir, tomorrow my pre-board, please question karwa. Yeah, I'm doing the questions, Aina. I think you are late. Yes, sir. I'm looking for moment on how to start our channel. Sir, can we get... Yeah, of course, Sanjay, you can. I found so many, in previous past few years, the student who woke up in last days as well, they got a revolutionary result. They left big impact on their result. You have time, my dear. If you wake up from here till now, so right away, you can get good result, my dear, still. But see, my dear, your single sheet can't decide my future, but that single sheet, that result will give satisfaction to your parents. That is uncountable, that is unmatchable, that is incredible. Come on, study for them also. Come on, what rubbish you're talking about, my dear? Yeah, I know these are very, but result will give you result will give you stream as well. How you can negotiate, my dear, your result? You should be very consistent towards your board exam, my dear. Let me tell you this honestly. Okay, moving to next question, question number 18. Look, the question is, in figure, if quadrilateral PQRS is circumscribed, circumscribed means the quadrilateral is from outside a circle, then what? See, my dear, this is a theorem basically. You all know in a circle, if this is tangent, this is tangent, this is tangent, and this is tangent. And if you join this tangent and this from this and this, so the tangent, the opposite tangents subtend here the angle supplementary to each other. If this is x and this is y, so x plus y will always be equal to 180 degree. But this formula and this rule is valid on the opposite tangents, not on adjacent tangent. Come on, not on adjacent angle. This rule is valid on opposite tangents, right? So if I talk about here, this tangent is there and opposite of this tangent is this. So this angle 80 degree and x will be supplementary to each other. This is the question also, right? So x plus 80 will be equal to 180 degree. So can we shift 80 that side? So x will go that side. So 180 minus 80 can be written as 100 degree. This is the rule. And similarly, for this tangent, this is the opposite tangent. So the sum of angles subtended at the center will be supplementary to each other. So y plus 95 will be equal to 180 degree. You can mention the region also if required. the tangent subtended by the opposite, the angle subtended by the opposite tangent at the center is supplementary to each other. So y can be written as 180 minus 95. If you subtract, this will be 5, and this is 1785 degrees the answer. So basically y is 85, x is 100. So option number C is correct answer. Option number C. Sir, if you promise to build Iron Man's suit with me, I will. Okay, promise. Done, my dear. Yeah, C is correct, Abhinav. C is correct answer, my dear champion. C is correct. Yeah, Marin, C is correct. Superb, superb. Now, moving to next question, question number 19. This one is logical. Which option will be correct here? Yeah. Let me wait, and I want the result of this question from you guys. Yes, my dear. Prince, hi Prince. Hello everyone. Is it clear, my dear champion? Is it clear? Ampri. Hello sir. Hi Ampri. Okay. Ampri, please explain BTP is not there, BPT is there. I think you are making some mistake there. BPT theorem. Yeah, okay. So BPT theorem, I have already uploaded one video on BPT, basic proportionality theorem, which is commonly called Thales theorem. Go on Deeksha Vedantu channel and scroll the video section. You get the video over there. So on BPT theorem, I have already uploaded a single video. Please go and go through the derivation, how I derived the BPT over there. So video is already uploaded. Come on. Okay. So the student who is new here, go and subscribe the channel, my dear, first. Yes, which option will be correct? I want answer from you guys. Which option will be correct here? And please hit the like button also. The like button is just in front of you. Come on, my dear. Hit on like button, please. Let me check who is hitting the like button over there or not. Yeah, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and relatives, your cousins and all, who can get advantage of this video and this mathematics class, because I'll be going to do quality sessions till your board exam on 17th February. So many session is going to be come on live session. So it's my humble request to you all, stay connected and stay connected, because you guys will be getting good content which is relatively to your board exam and which is going to genuinely help you out in your board exam. We are working on that. Okay, super. So hit the like button, please. Okay, so if sine theta plus cos theta is root 2, then what will be the value of tan theta plus cot theta? Interesting question, my dear. Okay, listen. So tan theta plus cot theta will be what? This is the question. So can't we express this expression in the form of sine cos? Yes, we can. So tan theta can be written as sine by cos theta, and cot theta can be written as cos by sine. I hope you must know this formula. Tan theta is sine by cos and cot theta is cos by sine. I hope you all know this formula. Now, can we take LCM here? So cos theta into sine theta will be there, right? And sine will go there. So sine square theta will become, and this cos will go in format of cos square theta. And you all know sine square theta plus cos square theta. Sine square theta, cos. How cute this formula is. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we can write here 1 by cos theta into sine theta. But still, we haven't get the value, mathematical value. We want mathematical value. So to replace this function, now we have to take help from this. So here sine theta plus cot theta is root 2. Now we can squaring both sides. So if we square both sides, so sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2ab. 2 sine theta into cos theta is there. And root 2 can be written as 2. What I have applied here is squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Now look, how cute is sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 2 sine theta into cos theta will be equal to 2 minus 1. This one will go that side. So sin theta into cos theta will be 2 minus 1 is 1, and this 2 will go that side. So we have sin theta into cos theta is 2, we can put here. So the answer will become 1 by cos theta into sin theta is 1 by 2, and 2 will go there. So the answer is 2. The answer is 2. The answer is 2. I hope you got the solution. Yes, you have understood it. Option number B, you guys are writing option number B. Yes, 2. Abhinav, Ayush, Pratap. Yes, Abhinav. Sir, B is not the B is not answer, but 2 is answer. Come on here. Yes. I hope you guys have subscribed the channel. Okay. I know you guys are awesome and you guys can fulfill my just small wish. You have already subscribed the button. And I know you guys are following your sir. You are loving your sir. I know. You all are deeply connected to me. I know. And I'm also connected to you all. And my blessings are always with you, my dear. Namaskar. Okay. Oh, you guys are talking with each other. Okay. So 19. Wow. Supplementary. Also, this is 20 number basically. So now do this question. Sin theta. If sin theta minus cos theta is 0, then what will be the value of this function? If sin theta minus cos theta is 0, then what will be sin to power 6 theta plus cos to power 6 theta? Superb. Very good. Yeah. Which option will be correct? Come on, my dear. Which option will be correct here? Question number 20. If sin theta minus cos theta is 0, then what will be the value of sin to power 6 theta plus cos to power 6 theta? I want answer of this question from you guys. If you not be able to do, I can solve this question for you all. Yes, which option will be correct? I am waiting for your response. Sad is there. Nisha is there. Tony, Abhinav. Yeah, which option will be correct? Come on, my dear. Tell me, which option will be correct here? Which option is correct? 1 by root 2. Bagad Billa, I don't know your correct name. Come on, get rid of these activities. I have already overcome of these kind of activities. Don't write such comments there. You are giving me 1 by root 6. Solve this, na? Give me answer, my dear. Ashwani, I came now, sir. What going on? Nothing is going on, bro. We are just doing the questions here. Okay, look at the solution. Okay, B option. You guys are writing B. Okay, Harish. Hi, Harish. Hi, Sham. All the student who is new here, please go and hit the subscribe button first, because you guys are going to get quality content for your board exam on this channel, my dear. Just trust me, because we, the faculty members, we, the teachers of particular their respective subjects, everyone are doing research and all, and they'll be get back to you soon, very soon, with quality contents. Most expected question will be there. Okay, 1 by 4. Someone is writing B, someone is writing D. I don't know what is going on here. You guys are confused. Okay, 1 by 4, sure, sir. Abhinav is very confident. Okay, Abhinav. Okay, guys, let's just wait a little while. I want to see the response from other student. Ayush Pratap is saying C. Look, one more new. Yes, I already subscribed. Very good, Sham. Very good. I had hit the bell icon. Very good, Ashwani. Superb. Devansh is writing D. D is there. Okay. Come on. Superb. Okay, let's do. See, my dear. The question is sin theta minus cos theta is 0. My dear champions, if sin theta minus cos theta is 0, so can we shift this cos theta that side? So sin theta will become equal to cos theta. And if sin theta is equal to cos theta, and here is theta, and this is also theta. Now if I ask you, at what angle sine and cos both becomes equal to each other? Come on, at which angle both functions sine and cos are equal to each other? And that is only one angle, which is 45 degree. Yes, sine 45 is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. And here sine function is equal to cos function, so the angle must be equal to each other. So we can write here, if sine theta is theta there, so they only become equal to each other when the angle is 45 degree. I hope you are getting my point. So it has to be 45 and cos will also go 45. So theta is basically 45 degree. It has been proved that the theta is 45 degree. Now come here, sine to power 6 theta. So sine to power 6 theta plus cos to power 6 theta. Don't worry, my dear. Just ignore power just for a second. Just for a second, ignore power. Imagine power is not there. Imagine power is not there. Only imagine sine theta is there. So sine theta is 45, and we all know if we write here sine 45, the value of sine 45 is 1 by root 2, but the power is 6, so we have to put here power. I know few student feels, they are having problem by putting the value if the power comes more than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you don't need to be you don't need to be worried about the power. Please ignore the power and put the values. And after putting the value, you can put the power. After putting the trigonometric value, you can put the power. Similarly here, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 power 6. And we all know, if we multiply 1 by root 2 6 times, 1 by root 2 into 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 1 by root 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So root 2 into root 2 will be 2. Root 2 into root 2 will be 2 and root 2 into will be 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8. So 1 by 8 is there and this is also 1 by 8. So can we take LCM? So LCM will be 8. So 1 plus 1 will be 8. 2. By taking the LCM 8 will be there. 1 plus 1 2. We'll cancel this 4. Answer is 1 by 4. Answer is 1 by 4. Yes. Bhavani is writing. Okay. 1 by 4, sir, easy, sir, 1 by 4. Yeah, Abhinav, 1 by 4 is there. I'm not scolding you, my dear champion. Bhagat Billah, your name is so funny. I'm not scolding you, my dear. Please don't say this. Hi, sir, I'm from Tamil Nadu. Your teaching is super. Thank you, Harish. Thank you so much, Harish. Stay blessed. Is it clear, my dear champion? Is it clear? I'm not scolding anyone, my dear champion. You all are sweet, everyone. Okay, so 1 by 4 is the correct answer. Yeah, 1 by 4 is correct answer. So my dear champions, see, your first board exam is on 17 February is of math standard. If you guys are having problem in any particular chapter, any concept, any chapter that you seems like that chapter is difficult for you, still you are having problem in that particular chapter, just let me know after the live session, after post live session. Write in comment section, sir, I want lecture on this chapter, I want clarity on that particular question, such question I'm not able to do, still I'm having problem. Please write in comment section, because we are looking eagerly to get your problem, what kind of problem you guys are facing still, and because the rectification of problem is very important for you, because the preparation days are almost over. This is your final phase preparation, closing is there. So I'll be helping you out. If you are having any problem, just let me know so that I can provide you, I can deliver you some content that will help you out in your board exam, my dear. So I hope you guys are there. and you'll be stay connected with me. So keep coming on live sessions, keep coming in on channel, this particular channel, because this channel Deeksha Vedantu class 10th is dedicatedly, we are doing research and all, and we are dedicatedly with full commitment we are working to give you some quality contents, my dear. So stay blessed. Thank you so much for being here. How to prove converse of BPT? Very easy, my dear. Okay, after live session, after ending of live session, my dear, you can put Sir Love from Odisha. Thank you so much, Sham. How to, yeah, I'll be helping you out. So thank you so much, stay blessed, and if anyone student who could not attend the live session with me, so post live, go and solve the question, whatever the question we have discussed here today in live session. Okay, we are also dedicated to our class. Thank you so much. And one more request from you all. See, my dear champions, yeah, we are also, yeah, one more request. Whenever you are coming in live session, please always sit with your notebook and pen, my dear. Only observing, only watching the video will not give you the result. Maths demands practice, and once you will start doing practice with me, that will give you the confidence and clarity, and where you are lagging, what kind of problem you are having still. So practice the questions all together with me. This is not my only responsibility to deliver you the and you are just in formality, you are just watching the video and all. So that will not give you the circle chapter. Sham, circle. Okay, no problem, Sham. Ankit, Devansh, yeah, Devansh, I observed. Yeah, superb, Devansh. Maintain this momentum till 17 February, my dear. Please. Hi, sir. You are from, I cannot reveal my state here because due to some terms and conditions, my dear. Please, sir, circles. Okay, don't worry. I'll be giving you circle chapter. So I'm planning to give you one short video also, marathon on live. So if you are there, if you are having problem, stay connected with the channel, and very soon I'll be starting my live sessions, marathon, one short video from chapter number 1, real numbers to probability, my dear. So I'm going to give you complete revision, one shot revision to you all, and the student whose syllabus is not completed yet, the student who is having some problem yet in particular chapter, especially for you all, come here, stay connected with us and stay in my live sessions. So hopefully from 1st February onwards till your 16th February, till your 17th February morning, I'll be giving you complete maths content, you all. So from chapter number 1 to 14, I'm going to revise all the chapters. The one short video, very soon I'm going to upload you for you all. Okay. Is it clear? Superb. So the student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button, share this video with you all, with your friends and all. Okay, stay blessed. Thank you so much for being here.